Anthony popping in here first. Love to see it. Love to see it. Anthony popping in here first. Love to see it. Love to see it. Heard myself. That was a problem. Don't like that. Anyways, here we are. Back at it again. Bitcoin finding a little bit of resistance as Jerome Powell comes out today and poops on the parade. Basically saying he does not see any rush in cutting rates. Why is it as soon as the market starts doing well, he automatically just tries to take the wind out of our sails? I swear. Probably because he's afraid that people are going to have money and start spending again. Gosh, what a jerk. What a jerk. End the Fed. I'm all for it. But looking at Bitcoin objectively on the 4-hour, we are trading sideways. We are downtrending from the breakout, which kind of sucks. However, you can see the stochastic is dragging itself on the ground. I am expecting it to get a pop probably tomorrow. But yeah, this stochastic, it doesn't stay flat for that long. This is actually ridiculous. We're being suppressed very hard right now. So expect some weird price action probably tonight, maybe tomorrow. Especially with the weekly candle close. Or not weekly, the futures expiration that is happening tomorrow. Expect some weird volatility with Bitcoin. But yeah, Bitcoin on the 4-hour, it doesn't make much sense. Bitcoin on the daily. Your daily, I do believe, is fully reset, and it is ready to run. No, it's not. I take it back. You're still overbought on the daily. So this could actually consolidate for a while, which kind of sucks. But checking out the 1-hour. Was it the 1-hour that did it? So yeah, your 1-hour is giving you really bad signs that further downside could happen. With this tiny little move up here, your stochastic has already come off the ground. That's a problem. So what could very well happen is we see it drop to the bottom of this channel, pop back up to the top, and then fall again. So you've been warned. Anyways, that's what I'm seeing out of Bitcoin so far. Let's go ahead and check out the heat map on Glassnode here. Wow, we might see some short liquidations. Can I do XRP next? How did I know we were going to get asked about XRP? I'm surprised you're not asking about ADA and XLM also. That's wild. I knew it as soon as I got that alert on Coinbase. Yeah, we'll check it out. So Bitcoin actually has some liquidations it could do right above it. Oh my god, 88,607. That is $58 million. That's insane. Okay, we have tons of liquidity overhead. I don't know why they're all putting in shorts. That's absolutely insane. Did they not look at the 4-hour? Ooh, that's not a good thing. $127 million worth of longs are now sitting at 85,749. And on the weekly, your liquidation level is 92,325, and that's only 100 million. Ooh. Well, tomorrow's going to be fun. It's going to just fun. I'm expecting a whipsaw or something. Oh my goodness. All right, so Bitcoin, good luck to you. Oh my gosh. Let's check out Bitcoin dominance real fast. That's crazy. So Bitcoin dominance should be going up because the alts were getting devastated. Oh, would you look at that? Started going up. But it does look like we're finding some resistance. We're staying around that 60% range. If we see Bitcoin start to go down, you're going to see this dominance shoot up, which I'm not looking forward to. Because the lower we go, the higher the dominance. And we could see dominance get as high as 69%. Oh, that would suck. That would really suck for the alts. Yeah. Anyways, let's just start jumping into the requests. Let's go down to XRP. I know a bunch of people are like, we gotta see it. It's going crazy. It's the only time a year that it ever will go crazy. Alright, so XRP, as I mentioned before, if you got above this 66.28 level, where the heck are the rest of my... Where's the rest of the chart? What's going on here? There we go. So I mentioned it before. We were most likely to hit 86.10 next. We are there pretty much. Now we're just looking to finish the move of this consolidation pattern, which is getting up to about $1.15. So yeah, that could be happening in the near future. XRP, as I mentioned when it was breaking out, It doesn't usually sit around when it breaks out. It just goes and then it consolidates for a year. So yeah, fun times with XRP. But measured move sitting right here at $1.15. Could keep going. Could keep going. Well, I will definitely say it could keep going. So take that with a grain of salt. Could keep going. It's just this area on the weekly, very, very good level to take profits at. Very good level. But if you break above it and hold it, next level you're looking at $1.21. Measured moves, 115. You're probably going to see that $1.21. So let's mark it out. So yeah, most likely you're going to head right on up there. So that's XRP right now. And I'm sure on the 15 it already reset because it's starting to move up again. Yeah, reset very quickly, just chugging along. I can't imagine there ever being resistance for XRP at high prices because it's never up there. It always goes sideways. Always goes sideways. So the honorable mention here, XLM. XLM here. We are on the breakout right now. Usually XLM and XRP, they move together. So let's see where XLM could head as long as XRP keeps doing what it's doing. Oh, XLM's on the brink of a major breakout. Cool. We could see it at 18.87. Pretty important level from history, not bad. So we'll see if it does it. We shall see. I think it will. These ones haven't had any love. And speaking of coins with no love, let's go into the next one. ADA. Stopped us out last night being a jerk, but it's moving today. Moving today. Going down to the 15-minute, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So last night, we were in the trade with this uptrend here. We broke down from it once, twice, made sure all the longs were gone. Now we're starting to see that price appreciation. Kind of mean, but you know what? It did it. So now your target right now is 77.76 for ADA. It's just chugging along right now. Awfully rude. Awfully rude. Current trade I am in right now is Pepe. I am shorting it. So just so you can see my work, we are up currently 20% on the short. I only went 15x because the market's been a little weird recently. I didn't know if it was just going to 180 on me and take off, so I just went 15x. But 15x short, looking to get this 9% downside move. Not trying to be in it forever. Earlier, I was shorting Bonk. I said that in the Discord. Bonk is continuing its descent. You're expecting to find support down here at 3102. So there's a bit of downside left on Bonk. And you are right up against your demand line here. So might be a good opportunity for someone to jump into a short. And if I were jumping into a short at this very second, I would have my stop loss somewhere above this 3687 level. I would have it above that. Just in case you popped up a little bit and came back down. Just in case right there. Alright, so those are... Yo, Crypto Cruise, what is up? How you doing? Welcome in. So Floki also had... Ooh. Floki might break support? That's too bad. Either way, I wouldn't trade this in a short while it's sitting on support. I'd want to see a little more consolidation, a little more falling. You're in the bearish control zone right now. I wouldn't jump into shorts on that yet. So let's keep on moseying around. Now this one looks a lot better. A lot better for downside. Oh man. You have this beautiful demand line here. You're getting close to it. You consolidate it a little bit. You can argue this is your new demand line here. Hoo-wee. Let's see what your percentage is, brother. For rats. It's only a 5%. Too bad. Let's see what the larger one is. Nope. No larger one yet. Gotta get a nice little hard fall here. That'd be nice. That'd be nice. Alright, let's go ahead and look at Cat. So Cat doing something interesting. Oh wait, is it doing something interesting? It's broken out. Wow. Cat might want to do some damage here. You could hold support. Oh my god. So if Cat manages to hold support, Cat, it never quite made it up to the 1272. It could try and make it up there. That's impressive. That's impressive. Cat's been going absolutely crazy. Deep discounts dance. There's tons of discounts out here. Tons of discounts. And they're probably going to last until the weekend begins. So we really do have to find like serious support levels, because then you can start strategizing where you can get in. Algorand. Okay, what's up with all these things that are partnered up with banks starting to take off? It's kind of crazy. Algorand is up right now. Finding a lot of support right there. Ooh. Oh, that's kind of a big deal. Hey, brother. Could you check out Shib? ICP, decent price to scoop. We'll check out ICP also. We'll check out Shib. We're really close to Shib, so I don't normally like to go out of order like this, but I will, just because we're so close to it on the chart. Algorand's on a breakout right now. Just thought you guys would like to know that. With the possibility of 30% upside. Algorand. I feel like I talked about it not too long ago that Algorand was in a good spot to buy, but I didn't think it was going to start moving already. That's cool. Alright, let's go up to Shib. Shiba. So Shiba currently in a downtrend. We're looking to find support at this 2117 level. It's really what we're looking for. Noted on the 4-hour, you're dragging your stochastic on the ground. You're in the bearish control zone. There's an opportunity you catch bids, but I'm guessing since you had such a good run recently, you're gonna have to go test some support. Just a thought. Don't get mad at the messenger. I'm just trying to give you information. So yeah, Shib, I would say it probably has another 9% downside, but wait for it to start breaking down here. If I were actually trying to short this, I would short it right now. Huh, go figure. Yeah, I would definitely short it right now. Reason being, you did have the swing down, you consolidated, and now you're making a new downtrend, so I can strategize where my stop loss would be right above this curling top here, and I would be aiming for that 9% downside. So Shib, and then also on top of that, you have this upsloping level of support that you are breaking down from. So Shib, yeah, probably going down 9.9%, or just 9%. Too bad, Shib. Too bad. Let's go down to ICP now. Alright, ICP. I believe you're coming into your supply line right now. You are. So ICP's in a very interesting spot. If you can hold support, this looks just like Ethereum did. So if you hold support on ICP, and this goes into the weekend, I would not be surprised if this thing pumps over the weekend. So yes, you could scoop it up right now. You're in a very good spot for buying it. You just need to have a stop loss right below the 7339. You lose that level very quick, you could be down at 520. So keep that in mind while you're deciding to grab this. But yeah, you are hitting your supply line right now in this symmetrical triangle. You already had a fake out once. Now it looks like you're back testing a level of support. If this holds, your next price target is going to be up here at 1569.6. So not bearish on ICP right now. Let's go ahead and check it out on the daily. See if you're resetting. Yeah. As long as you get a daily candle close around where you're at, this thing could look great. Tight moving averages too on the daily. I might have to grab this one myself. Holy shit. This one actually looks really good. Like, it looked good yesterday. It looks better now. Your 1 hour is showing you hidden bullish divergence? Maybe this thing's going to do something weird tonight. Who knows? Who knows? That hidden bullish divergence is kind of a big deal. Is this a falling wedge too? I think it is. Holy shit. Bring it down there. That's a wedge if I've ever seen one. Wow. I like this pattern here. I like this pattern. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing out of ICP. I like this pattern. I do. Market heading down to bring more investors for further run. Oh god, Sinan Soyalik. I'm sorry, I butchered the absolute shit out of your name. My bad. Welcome in, and I believe you're right. Yeah, you gotta bring in some excitement. Give them some better prices. It's just how it works. Once again, I'm really sorry for butchering your name. How bad I did. Sorry. Sometimes I'm pretty illiterate. My bad. Oh, Pepe, don't you do that. No, break down. Break down. You stop it right now. Goodness gracious. Sometimes you gotta tell these coins what's up. You know, get down there. ADA is pulling back also. What else had really good run? Beer. Beer had a really good run. We can take advantage of beer, probably. Oh, no, we can't. Bit of a symmetrical triangle here. After a huge run. If you pull back on beer, this could be biblical. This could be biblical. Oh my. Oh my. I didn't realize how low it was. Oh my. Oh boy. Oh. It's fine. You got my sub. Oh, I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you so much. You are number 300. Or no, 520. Leonardo, thank you so much for the sub. You are number 521. Nice. What do I think? What? Biconomies? What is that? Cooking with Luna. I don't even know what that is. I can't read it. What? Biconomies? Is that a crypto? It's a crypto. Okay. Alright. Crypto Cruise, could you look at XLM, please? Already did. Yo, what is up, Max? How you doing? Welcome in. We did look at XLM. XLM looks surprisingly good. Oh, man. Just getting in, brother. What's up, JS Jr.? What's up, what's up? Watching Bitcoin closely on the 1 hour and 4 hour? Yeah, the 4 hour, it looks like it wants to go up. The 1 hour looks questionable. Questionable. I gotta figure out what this Biconomy is. There it is. There it is. Yeah, what do I think of this thing? I don't know anything about it. I'm about to learn. I think you're at a great buying zone. Great buying zone. How are we doing? Doing great. Currently shorting Pepe. Doing great. And the Pepe short is printing. We're up 44% on the trade. It's not too shabby. Not too shabby out here. Caspa's killing you. We'll check out Caspa. But we're going to check out this Biconomy thing. Now I'm interested to know, like, what the hell is this thing? Like, Biconomy? What's their goal? What makes them tick? Who's their leader? That's kind of a major breakout it's trying to do right now. That's kind of cool. Just a little bit. Simply better. What is up? How you doing? Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in on this beautiful Thursday evening. And if you're in another country, Friday morning. How you guys doing? Well, Biconomy has some work to do. Probably needs to consolidate a bit. But, I mean, you stay above this 26.35 long enough, you're going to see yourself up there at 48.26. It's absolutely insane. Yeah, you're on a confirmed breakout. Didn't quite back test it all the way, but confirmed breakout. This thing could move. That's kind of cool. Do I think Link can hold the line? Link's a weird one. I don't know. Remember, if Bitcoin has a substantial pullback, nothing is holding the line. Nothing is. Everything's going with it. Except for like random meme coins that just don't even know what's happening with the rest of the market. But we'll check it out. We will check it out. But yeah, this thing looks pretty cool. Biconomy, I'd be looking to see what it does in the coming days. Maybe this might be something that could be actionable over the weekend, but we're gonna have to wait and see. It looks interesting. Not gonna lie to you, I like the look of it. You just want to see if you can stay above the supply line, but 48.26 is gonna be the target if you can stay above. Looks pretty interesting. I don't know where it could go after that. Nor am I gonna find out. Let's go to XLM. Alrighty. Caspa and Andy. When up, get... Yeah, I'll check out Caspa and Andy. Got you. They're going to be a little out of order, though. Alright, XLM. Where's the L? X... Hello? There we go. Alright, so right now XLM's trying to maintain its breakout. If we go out to the weekly, because we kind of have to, this is low key a stock. But so you are trying to break out of this downtrend. I do think it's going to take a little bit of time just to like, hey, we're really broken out and we're holding support. So maybe, I hate to say it, maybe wait until Sunday before even trying to jump into new longs or something. But if you do break out of this 1432, 1887 is the next target. If you break above that 1887, that's where things can get a little bit crazy for XLM. You can see last time, you shot up, you came back down, then you took off. So history could repeat or do something similar. But XLM does not look bad. And it is moving simply because XRP is moving also. But, yeah. Alright. Link. I think Link is going to come up first. It will if that's all I'm looking for. Alright. Link. I do not believe Link is going to hold this line. I'm just hoping Link will hold above its former demand line. You're already breaking below it right here. You're finding a lot of resistance from that 200 weekly. You do have this nice little downtrend here that could save you. Let's get rid of this uptrend because that doesn't matter because you fell through it. Sucks you underperformed that. But yeah, falling through it right now. Let's check the daily. You have support sitting right underneath you. Are you on the 200? Oh, wait, you're on the 200. Well, this is a pickle. I don't know. Because you're sitting on the 200, there's a possibility If Bitcoin decides to stop selling, you could hold the line. But you do have a daily candle close right there. Right, actually, is this a little too high? Bring it down here. There we go. You held support, now you're falling through it. Got it. Got it. Either way, what you really want to see is this back test. So the back test could be the most important thing for Link right now. If you get that confirmed back test while making a higher low, this could be very good for going up to not only 1879 but beyond. And maybe you'll actually finish making your measured move. Getting all the way up here, $42. $43. So Link doesn't look terrible. Does not look terrible. BTC's pulling back. FVG way back in early 80s and late 70s. Be aware, people. Wait, what? FVG? What is that? I would love to be aware. I just don't know what you're talking about. What is that? Oh, the fair value gap. God, goodness gracious. Okay. Sorry, I thought you were talking about a stock bringing up the 70s and the 90s or the 80s. I'm like, where are we going here? We went off the rails with that one. Oh, man. All right. Caspa's not doing bad here. Caspa's not doing bad. You have a confirmed backtest on the daily. You're now holding above your 236. If Caspa can just hang out here and not fall any lower, I mean, you could see a lot more upside. Caspa's just doing Caspa-ish things. It's kind of wild, but it's just doing it. Looking at the 4 hour. Ooh, 4 hour has some downside because of this God candle that you got to basically reset the 4 hour before falling further. Oh my god. Oh, you are setting a new downtrend with that? Yeah, Max, I understand why Caspa's killing you. The Caspians. They are not trying to pump this to the moon any chance they get. Instead, they're like, here's another reason to sell. Absolutely crazy the amount of profit taking happening on Caspa. But as long as you continue to make higher lows, you're going to be okay. Gonna be okay. Your current supply line is all the way down here. We're gonna make it nice and thick so we all can see it. Nice and thick. So there you go. But you're just playing around in the fib levels. You got that 50% retracement. Now it looks like you're just trying to build a floor. Just trying to build a floor. Alright. Andy ETH. Andy ETH. I don't think Andy ETH is killing you. You're about to hit overhead resistance though. And I think that's all-time highs for Andy. Possibly a good area to take some profit. It could break out, don't get me wrong. But you have hidden bearish divergence from when the rally started. Just non-stop bearishness. It'll play out eventually. At the highest overhead resistance, could be a good time to take a little bit of risk off the table. Could be. But I will never tell you what to do with your money. Never would. You're overbought on the daily. I will never tell you when a good time to sell is. Around all-time highs. Alright, moving on. Going back to Bitcoin. Oh wait, were we supposed to look at something else? XLM, we got it. I am on top of it. Let's go! Sorry, this is a special day. I'm never on top of it. Never. Alright, BTC. Ooh, losing the heart line. No. No, we're losing it. Oh, that's too bad. So yeah, we might see it come down to the bottom of this little channel. If we can hold the bottom of the channel, great. Awesome, love it. But there are some longs that can get liquidated down there, so that could be rough. could be rough. Wow. All right, current trade, we're up 93%. That's pretty neat. Love to see that. I didn't think it started moving that fast. That's kind of crazy. That's a little crazy. We are so very close. I'm actually a little surprised. Nobody coming in here is like, why is your chart so busy? Be a good trader and have nothing on it. I love people. I love them. Ooh, Algorand falling back in. You probably don't want to do that. Yeah, Algo, you really didn't want to double top right here, did you? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not pleasant. That's bad. Good evening. Where's DGen going? Probably with the rest of the market, honestly. Let's check it out. We could see Algo drop 7.81% and losing its support. Does your 4 hour say this can happen? I guess kinda, but not really. I'm interested to see what this does. I'm very interested to see what that does. That's wild. Alright, DGen. We're looking for the DGen. Wasn't DGen up like 50% today? Yeah, it was up like crazy. You have massive hidden bearish divergence on the 4 hour. This thing could come straight back down to 1625. Just saying what's possible. You have very little support right below you, though. Very little support right there. Because DGen's, what, all-time highs right now? No, it's not. Not all-time highs. You are at resistance. That's kind of neat. Alright. We'll just mark that out right there. So yeah, you're finding a lot of resistance right at that weekly candle closes. And then you have another one right above you. Wild. But yeah, you that's not great. Let's see if it looks better on the daily. Ooh. Let's hope Bitcoin doesn't consolidate for more than a week. DGen could come down a lot. The possibility is massive because you never backtested this down here. So the possibility is that it could come all the way back down to your 50 simple moving average. Oh boy. To your 50 simple on the daily. Just keep that in mind with DGen. However, positive side, Golden Cross should be coming like tomorrow. So maybe it continues to the upside and you see that 3-4 level. DGen's in a weird spot. Super overbought. But your 1 hour is saying, hey, we got one more leg up in us. The 1 hour wants to try and do something. Your 15-minute is figuring out ways to sell. Jeez. Yep, it is figuring out ways to sell. That's too bad. That is too bad. Nope, I want this. So we'll see what happens when you can break out of this downtrend. But for now, downtrend is king. Downtrend is king. But yeah, for opportunity of downside, you could see price all the way back down here to 1058. It never got a back test. And so naturally, new people trying to buy in would look for the back test. Everyone who missed this entire pump would be looking for the back test. Yeah, it didn't even try on the daily. Didn't even try. The 4 hour, you got it. Hopefully they think that was enough. And then you could just stop possibly at this 1625. That would be nice. But yeah, it's kind of up in the air. We're going to have to wait and see. With it starting to fall, I just think the worst. Oh no, Shiba's down. Shiba's down. Since we're in the D's, I want to check out Drift. Everybody was telling me how Drift wasn't going to go down that much. Drift is positive right now. Can we get some Drift here? So you can see how Drift went up like crazy, and now it's just trickling down, bleeding out. I mean, the target's down here. You never tested it. So your target is still way the heck down here. So this is what I want you to like look at when you look at degen. It's the fact that you shot straight out of here and you never tested it as support. Another example of this we can do is checking out Storage or Storage. It kind of did the same thing. And Ape, all of them did the same thing. Have I tried the indicator Ston Sky? No, I never have. I've never heard of it. AVAX stubborn as Caspa? You are right. It is stubborn. But yeah, you can see what Storage did. It shot out of here. It came down, shot up even higher, but it never backtested the structure. So then it came back into the bottom of the structure. Now it looks like we broke out and we're trying to test it again. So Storage, it's a waiting game, but this thing could explode to the upside. That Martini guy uses it. I've never heard of it. Also, I don't know who the Martini guy is. Let's check out AVAX. It's solid? Okay. Alright. I'll have to check it out. Hold on, I have my notepad here. Let me write it down. Indicator. Ston Sky. Alright, I wrote it down. I will check it out. Oh no, AVAX. AVAX coming in for a backtest also. So it looks like 28.14. We're looking for that to hold. Hopefully it does. The beginning of it was like a little hard, but then the rest of it was like moist. Is it moist right now? Awesome.
So maybe tomorrow. Nothing.
Nothing.
Like no softener.
I didn't even give it to her today.
No? Then it must have been the pouches.
Yeah.
Okay.
But she needs more solid food, so I'm gonna be focusing in on that. Okay. Alright.
Also,
Okay.
like before that.
I'll do. Okay. Love you. Oh, my wife. So my wife right now, she has like her knee is really tight for some reason, so she wants me to help stretch her tonight. So I will have to end a little bit early. You've been in crypto since 2017? Nice. So you got to see the rise to 20K? That's absolutely, or almost 20K? That's absolutely crazy. Oh shit, we're about to take profit. We're up 136%. Let's go. 135. Come on. Oh, don't do this to us. Don't do this to us. Give it to us. Come on. Check Andy again. Did it take off? Did it just break out? I'm gonna be really mad if this thing doesn't hit. Hold on. It is so damn close. Are we serious? Who's buying Pepe? Who's doing it? Stop it. Let it sell me off. Shit. The fuck is this? Come on. Come on. I swear. I know it's one of you in chat too. You're like, no, buy up the Pepe. Don't let his short clear. Don't let it. Look at this nonsense. Do it. Do it. Imagine it just reverses right here. Imagine. You motherfuck. What are we doing? Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? This is some bullshit. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's so annoying. Why? Just sell it off, fuckers. No. Oh my gosh. That is some bullshit. I'll tell you. Oh my goodness gracious. Why? So if any of you wonder, oh, why does he take profit early? Pepe is about to turn into the strongest asset in this market. I'm telling you now. Strongest asset. It's like, you don't get your profits. Oh man. You're a PT and LMT. What's an LMT? What's that? Are you a physical therapist or a personal trainer? Buy the dip. Whoa there, Millie. Relax. Massage therapist. Oh, nice. Oh, and a physical therapist? Oh, even better. So, JSJR, I have this pinched nerve in my shoulder. I'm going to need you to come over. Help me out, brother. Double license New York. New York? You're too far. Sorry. It's not going to work out. I'm on the other side of the country. Our taxes are higher. Oh, this is so stupid. This is so stupid. Alright, let's check out Andy again. While I just don't get sold off. So dumb. Hate this market. Oh, Andy pulled back. Max, was this you telling me I was right? That this was a good area to take profit? It's a slightly lower high also. Oh, distribution could be starting. Could be starting. Be careful. If you're still holding Andy, be careful. Because downside, you could hit anywhere between 15733 and 12381. Downside's huge with Andy right now. Ooh, it's 43%. That's 55%. Oh god. Oh, that looks terrible. I didn't realize it was that much. That's terrible. But yeah, just to backtest your downtrend, right now you're looking at 43% downside. Protect yourself. Don't leave it all in there. Do not diamond hand it. Do not diamond hand it. Never financial advice. Just trying to get you to have some dry powder for later. I still can't believe this trade isn't sold off yet. That's just not cool. Not cool. So frustrating. It's actually going up. Are we for real? Like, look at this candle. Like, what the hell? What did I do? I wasn't going to think about shorting Andy. Don't worry about it. I was not thinking that, Max. Oh, man. The D-Gen life. It's a rough life, yeah. Oh, it was oversold on the 5-minute? What the fuck? Oh, this is so dumb. Alright, I'm going to take profit. It's close enough, I guess. I'm within 1% now? Yeah, we're just gonna close that. Close enough. Sold, 7K profit. Let's go. Is it a copy trade? No, I actually don't even have the option of doing that as a copy trade. So copy trade, I have a very specific list. And then I also have to get onto that account. BTC catching small bids? Yeah, no wonder. No wonder. But what we can do is we can get into another short soon. So I just want to know when you hit that 50% retrace, because you should come down again. Another 8%. That would be kind of nice. Let's see if we can find any other options here. Wow, Aptos. Wow. Oh, wow, Aptos. What did you do wrong? Let's get rid of this now. That doesn't matter. This downtrend's looking great. Oh, it broke out. Wait, hold on. Oh, shit. Is Aptos about to actually, like, move? Ooh. Don't really like the 15. I do like the bullish convergence here. I really like that bullish convergence. Wait a minute. Maybe I do have to look at Aptos a little bit differently. Got just below your 1.7. %. Alright. Aptos is on the radar. Looking interesting. Let's check out Ape. Ooh, Ape. Why? Ape, just disrespectful. Disrespectful. Couldn't even test overhead resistance. See you later, Ape. Alright. Let's check out Arbitrum. Huh. Have a great rest of your night, everyone. Thanks, brother, for all you're doing. No problem. Hopefully you have a wonderful evening. Get some good sleep. Don't stress about the market. Relax. What do I think about ADA? It's broken out right now. I don't know what to make of it because the market's so choppy. So right now, I'm almost solely looking to short everything. This doesn't really look great for the idea of shorting. So, I mean, it could go up. You could get price anywhere between 63.20 and 77.76. I just don't know when it'll do it. So, I'm not playing with anything that looks bullish. I'm only looking with things that look like they're about to die. So anything that went on a nice run recently, yeah, I'm looking for those. Oh, son of a bitch. Pepe's falling again? Probably would have just sold me off. You jerk! Oh! Would have had full profit right there. Son of a bit. Damn. This market is wild. Just wanted to pop in and say, what's up? Gotta hang with the lady. Good luck on the trades. Crypto Naughty, thank you so much. I appreciate you stopping by. And yes, take care of that lady. All right? Anybody who puts up with you, they deserve it. Just remember that. And that's also why I will be ending stream early tonight, because I need to be with my lady as well. So. Alrighty. I just want to find one more trade though. One more trade. If I can end this day getting into the thousands, I'll be happy. Because then I will take profit and get the hell out of here. What is the best entry for Pepe? Oh boy. Best entry? That's a tough one. So if you're going to look for best entries, you're going to want to see the daily reset. Let's get rid of this fib retracement here so we can see where our levels are. So anywhere in this yellow box, if it stays, so let's say it pulls back hard, you want to see it actually hit this lower level in the box, holding support, because this was resistance. If you can hold support right down here, that could be your best entry. But once again, you're going to see it come down, touch, bounce, and then touch again. On that second test, that's when you know it's actually holding support, and that's when it's a better idea to get in. But until that happens, just think of it as a free fall. It's just going down. Just going down. Especially because on the daily, you're overbought. So I do think we're going to see a bit of a downtrend for things that are severely overbought like this on the daily. And there's no telling how long it could last. But yeah, you can see how it's just straight line up. Around here would be really nice. Around here. So 1258. If we can get it down there, phenomenal. I was looking at rats. The rats look really good to short. I was late to the party though. Damn it. The punch is all gone. No. I need this to reset. I need this to get up here. Because if I'm lucky, we can get another test. Then I could ride this down for 6%. That could get me over. That could get me over the 1,000. But I'll probably have to wait too long for that. And I'll probably just miss the entry because I'll go to sleep or something. But I will be able to hit it tomorrow morning. But it won't look nearly as good. Yeah, I'm trying to turn today into a 10x day. So that's why I'm trying so hard to get to the 1,000. That, just in case anybody knows. Or wants to know. And we can look at my order history, so you guys can see the trades I did. So like the last one was that much. Got a little small one here, bigger one there. Bunch of canceled ones. Ray, thank you so much for the sub. How we doing today? How we doing? So yeah, rats. I think rats is going to be my best entry opportunity if it will end up getting back up to this demand line and the demand line holds. Otherwise, we got to look at other opportunities. Thoughts on XRP? It finally moved. It could keep going, but it also is hitting overhead resistance. So target sitting at 86.10. If you happen to break that, then you could see price get up to 121.79. I don't like the way XRP moves ever because it takes so long to do anything. So XRP is one of those coins where I'm like, oh wow, look at it go, and I will do literally nothing about it. I'll never trade XRP. I will never trade it. Just it's like a dinosaur or a sloth. So slow. So slow. Whoa. Stefan Farron, thank you so much for the subscription. Appreciate you. You guys are absolutely amazing with the subs. If you guys have any requests, feel free, jump in here. Drop the requests. I'm here for it. We're going to be live probably for another like 25 minutes. So let's make the most of it, y'all. What else had a very good move recently? What's Turbo doing? What is the Turbo doing? Oh my goodness. These are terrible wicks. What the heck? Crazy. Christian, what is up? How are you doing? Welcome back. Welcome back. TRB had a good move, and it died. Oh boy. It died. Yep, dead. R.I.P. TRB. R.I.P. to TRB. Damn. That's crazy. Peanut? Let's go ahead and check out Peanut. How low can it go? What? It got listed on Binance? I didn't realize that. Good, how are you, bros, man? I'm doing pretty good. Yeah, I didn't realize it got listed on Binance. That's actually impressive. What are we on, the 1 hour? You're just downtrending right now. I guess they're hoping to get some bids, but this was some crazy hidden bearish divergence, and they had an absolute tear of a run. They could keep going, but, you know, I wouldn't trust it. That's just me. I'm not telling you what to do. Me personally, I wouldn't trust it because your only support is sitting at 47.52. Maybe you can argue there's a little bit of support where you're sitting right now, but we'll see how it goes. ETH 28. What's up, Slim? 2800 retest. Let's check it out. Let's go ahead and check it out. So yeah, Rich, with Peanut, there's like no data, so we have to wait and see what the traders do. CLV, Grayson, gotcha. Is that Clover Finance? I haven't looked at CLV in a long time. No, you asked what ran recently. Oh, I gotcha. Brett's doing good too? Brett was doing good. You're right. You're absolutely right. Yeah, I would think Ethereum would test 2866. I would think so. You're losing your level right now on the 4 hour. You're not oversold. Yeah, you could see Ethereum fall straight down. Kind of a shame. And you have a nice demand line to go off of, so say it does catch a bounce and you were looking for entries on a short, just be like, oop, I'll short. Oop, I'll short. I'll short, and then see what happens. Yeah, Ethereum, struggling on the 4 hour, and your daily's rough. Oh, wait a minute, you have your 200 daily sitting here. If you have the possibility of holding the 200 daily, the possibility is there. It's sitting at 2,954. If you manage to hold that 200, Ethereum might not be the ugliest stepchild anymore. Maybe not. But your 50% retrace is sitting at 28.88. ETH not doing good. Sol gonna flip it. Maybe. Brett holding strong. Gonna rip on next bounce. Yosh Deep Man. What is up? That is one wild name. Yosh Deep Man. I feel like you surf. Yeah, when I read that, I feel like you surf. Where's CLV? Clover Finance up 7%. Wow. Wowzers. Oh, you're in a great buying area. That's cool. That's cool. All-time lows on the back test. False bearish breakdown. Okay. I see it. Not too shabby. We'll go at the top, I guess. That was a hard one. So there are a couple levels here. Your weekly looks freaking amazing. What's your daily looking like? Daily doesn't look that bad. You're not overbought. You're just getting back into the bullish control zone. That's sweet. Did you break out of your downtrend? I guess you broke out of your downtrend and backtested it? Technically? Cool. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty gosh darn good over here. So yeah, I guess CLV, you have the opportunity of going up and testing overhead resistance. It's about 45% upside. Maybe 46. Then if you are capable of getting out of there, you could see 133% upside. Not too shabby. Only problem I see here is the fact that you only hit it once. You're going to have to backtest it again. Just to bring in confidence. I'm not saying like it really has to, but it's for the confidence. I know you guys are going to be like, this is the second test. Not really. It was the test 1, the test 2, and then the takeoff. Now, test 1 again. Test 2 would be nice. It would be really nice. But yeah, this thing could shoot up 46%. That's just absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Are your lower time frames letting you do it? Your 4-hour looks so weird. These wicks look so terrible. About to buy spots for alts before things get real crazy. Didn't load up last year or two. Slim, that's okay. This looks like it's in an accumulation range. So, enjoy the load up, man. Lots of alts in their accumulation ranges. Retail is just non-existent. They're just not here. So yeah, right now it's catching an impulse. Can't even trade it. ADA to the moon, baby. Rich, is it actually mooning right now? Hold on. After CLV, Brett. Oh, Bitcoin's going up also. Look at that. I didn't get into a trade, did I? No, I did not. Okay. Thank goodness. Brett. Golly. My memory is not what it used to be. So yeah, Brett is doing good. You're just pressed up against resistance right there. But you are showing hidden bearish divergence. So be careful on Brett. Be careful on the Brett. 4-hour hidden bearish divergence. Where did you get your knowledge on charts? A few places, but a lot all over YouTube. And then I started reading, or I got audiobooks after that. Trading in the Zone is a very good book to read. I also there's this other one. It was all about Elliott waves. I forgot what the name of the book was, but it was talking about Elliott waves. I don't like Elliott waves, but the book was interesting. It was basically bringing up how if you stare at charts long enough, you'll notice the patterns that start forming, which then will give you an idea about how to trade. You think BTC goes lower from here, Ray? It's in a consolidation pattern, so I really can't say anything yes or no. Your 4 hours giving you all the indications that it should see a rally, but we're distinctively being suppressed. You can tell from your stochastic. We're distinctively being suppressed. I think we're just overbought on the daily, so things want to go sideways and they just want to reset. The longer Bitcoin goes sideways, the better it is for altcoins. So we're all hoping it only goes sideways. That would be fantastic. Let that Bitcoin dominance come down. Let the alts breathe. That would be great. But yeah, as for like a major pullback, I don't think we're gonna get a major pullback. We could drop a little bit. I mean, we could come straight down to 81,599. Still be hyperbolic. Heck, we can come down to 75,843, and we are hyper bullish. The altcoins will die, but that could happen. Guess what? We haven't checked sold today. You're right, we haven't. You hold bags or just trade? I do both. I hold bags and I trade a lot. My trading a lot of times will go into my long-term holdings. So as I gain enough, I just start accumulating whatever I want. Right now I'm accumulating a lot of C98, Anchor, and Cody. Let's check out Sol. Sol already backtested the 202 level once, going in for a second touch. That's kind of nice. Daily is not overbought anymore. Your 4 hour is trying to reset, but you're losing your 50 simple. Fibonacci retracement from the top of last bull run to the bottom of the bear market. The 3618 level gave us a 200k Bitcoin. That would be cool. I don't usually make predictions about where I think Bitcoin's going to end up. I'll just agree with other people. So, yeah, Rich, sounds good. I like it. During the bear market, Citibank, they mentioned they think Bitcoin can get to 400,000. I was like, sounds good. I like it. I like it. What I look for is weekly hidden bearish divergence. That will be the fastest way to get me out of a token. The absolute fastest way. As soon as I see it form and I see the first red weekly candle, I am out of there like swimwear. Or even worse, if I see like a lower high on the daily. So let's say right here with Solana. So you could say here was a high right here. Then you have a higher high, lower relative strength. You can see that hidden bearish divergence, meaning, oh yeah, we should see a pullback on Solana. Or it has an opportunity of catching some bids here going up and then taking out this high right here, so it'll cancel out the hidden bearish divergence. So then I would be less scared. But on the weekly, oh man, if I see that weekly hidden bearish divergence, so like you saw right here to here, weekly hidden bearish divergence turned into the pullback, that's the fastest way to get me out of a token. It is the absolute fastest way. When I see weekly hidden bearish divergence, then it's like, oh, it's consolidating. Oh, cool. So now I can think about getting in down here. But yeah, so that's honestly all I ever look for. As of right now, Solana, we're looking for it to get up to 249. As long as you can hold above 202, 249. If you lose 202, 174. So now going into things that I'm trying to accumulate right now, Cody. You can see it on the weekly. Nice consolidation right in all of your resistance. Upside target, if you do break out of here, 25 cents. That's 157% upside. That's why I'm accumulating this thing right here. If it keeps going, great. But that's where I want it to get to. So I'm just accumulating as much as I can down here. Outside of Cody, C98, accumulating this one. I have 3 targets for this bad boy, but same thing. It came down here once, came down here twice. Reaccumulation. I'm looking for these 3 levels. At this level, I'm probably going to only have like 25% of the tokens that I have down here. Because each level I sell off a good amount. Then the last one's Anchor. If I can find the end, there it is. The last one's Anchor. Anchor looks great to me. Oh, we're finding a lot of resistance here, though. That's rough. But in my accumulation zone simply because we can see the reaccumulation happening here. So now I'm just waiting for the markup. That's all I'm waiting on. Give me the markup, baby. And then after that markup, we'll see what happens. But I like the accumulation. I do like this. I like it a lot. If we happen to fall below this 18.91, I'm selling it all off for losses. Because I don't want anything to do with it. It's like, how are you going to disrespect a bullish engulfing candle on the weekly like that? How are you going to do that? It would be rough. It would be really rough. Actually, I didn't look at E-Gold lately. I gotta see what that's actually doing. E-Gold getting rejected. Oof. But yeah, E-Gold, here's another one. We're just waiting for the markup, you know? Just waiting. Ready and waiting. We shall see. I love my bargains. So many bargains. This is how I know retail investors are nowhere to be found. The fact that you can find all these different bargains while Bitcoin's like all-time highs. It doesn't make much sense, does it? Doesn't make much sense, right? We're just finding so many of these. Oh, Sui's finally pulling back? Yeah, whoever asked about XRP, XRP is one I'll never trade. Sui, I don't trade that one either. Because Sui's too weird for me. Well, do you think all the retail that's going into Pepe will give a 5-10x from here? No idea. Oh, I'm not stretching you?
No.
You sure? Want me to do it in the morning? Okay. Love you.
I brushed out her hair.
She's just mesmerized.
The fro right now.
I let it get. Say hi. Hi.
See the lights? Yeah.
Ew, flaky.
Lights. See Birdie? Birdie on the wall? There you go.
Yeah,
Good job.
Birdie. Yeah. She said Birdie.
Good job, Boo.
Oh, you're done? Good night, honey.
Come on, little one.
Love you. Alright, I'm back. Can we check Pepe again, please? Yes, we can. Good father. Thank you. I try my best. I try my best. Alright, let's go check out Pepe. What's your name? My name's Audric. Alright, checking out Pepe. Looks like it's trying to catch some bids right now. Simply from being oversold. You still have a downtrend to worry about here. Which is this right here. So even if you rally up from here, you're probably just going to hit resistance and fall back down. No. What? That is my name. It's right there in chat. What's good? Yo, what's up, Eric? How we doing? How we doing? Oh, my little girl? Oh, gotcha. It's Ada. That is her name. Playing these meme coins? Yeah, you told me about that. Absolutely wild. I was just on dad duty all day. There was no possible way I was gonna be able to jump into any of those and actually look at them. That's true. You did send it to me last night. I didn't do anything with it. I literally went, took 2 melatonin and passed out. That's all I did. I took 2 melatonin and I was out. I'm probably gonna do the same thing again tonight. Like, I'm tired, but what ends up happening a lot of times, I start thinking about the market, and suddenly my phone ends up in my hand, and a chart is up in my face. And then I'm like, oh no, this is terrible. Pepe, we're seeing if it can actually get back above this level at 1959. But yeah, as for your question, freestyle, I don't know if it's gonna 5 or 10x from here, because isn't Pepe already? Your daughter's name is Ada. Nice. Same crypto cruise. Noted. It's funny. I do have ADA in my wallet. I'm wondering if it's gonna be worth anything by the time my daughter goes to college. I'm wondering if it'll even be around. But yeah, I don't know how Pepe is gonna do. Bro, I can't leave your PC. Oh, yeah, I understand that feeling. It's kind of tough, right? So Pepe's commanding a $7.9 billion market cap. That would be a 35. No, wait. So it's 8 billion right now. 8 billion times 5, a $40 billion market cap. I mean, I'm not saying it can't do it. I'm just thinking that's pretty high. That's pretty damn high. It would be very impressive if it did do a 5x from where it's at now at its all-time highs. Currently at all-time highs. You're there. Not saying it can't. I went through last bull run. I will never say a coin can't do something because the things you see in a bull run, they will freak you out. I watched Matic go from like 5/10 of a penny to $3. I'm like, Jesus, that's a lot. I watched Solana rise and fall. Oh, that last bull run was crazy. That last bull run was absolutely insane. I loved it. But I think this one's going to be more insane and last longer. Yeah, for Pepe, I'm mainly just looking at when can I short it again. Cuz you need to you don't have to, but you're more than likely going to test your all-time high weekly candle closes. So 1597, it's kind of the target right now. Kind of the target on a normal pullback. What are you doing, rats? Oh, you're so close. I think we need to reevaluate what coins will go since there is so many more coins now than in previous runs. Competing for attention. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. When I saw EOS and how much it got last bull run, and it literally has done nothing. I don't know. I don't know that we really do need to rethink it. Oh, Pepe, you're close. Or not Pepe, Bonk, you're close. Bonk, you gonna do it for me? You're right there at the entry. We might be shorting Bonk. Just might be the play here. Let's see where it stops. Actually, hold on. What's a 1 hour look like? Ugh. Maybe we're not shorting anymore. I don't know if the market's actually going to go down. Like, if I look at this at the 1 hour, we could come all the way up here. Huh. I might just be out of the trades for the evening. Just maybe out of the trades for the evening. What a gosh darn shame. What a golly gosh darn shame. Danny E. Algo is getting some bids and moving up again. Yeah, it is. It is. We looked at that a little earlier because it just caught my attention, and it's smooth. Oh, it's breaking out again. Dang. Yeah, Algo. It has an opportunity of going up a lot. I just don't like where the stochastic is on the 1 hour. That's my hang up for this. And it's the 1 hour for a lot of these tokens. So it's like things that are up, their 1 hour looks terrible. Things that are down, the 1 hour looks really good. Yeah, so even ADA, it's same story. The damn 1 hour. And if I've learned anything trying to leave a trade open while I'm sleeping, I better go to sleep in that stochastic on the 1 hour's low. Because if it's high, yeah, there's no telling how low it could go. And right now, you have yet to be able to break above 15.7. So I'm still leaning toward Algorand could pull back again until you break it. Once you break that level, because it's just been a low double top. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. This market's strange. It's very strange. It's choppy. I think that's the big problem. It's very choppy. Where traders just get screwed. So this one technically is in my buy zone right now. %5 downside. That would be enough. That would be enough. Yeah, you guys ever look at all your trades and you're like, it just doesn't feel right? That's what I'm getting right now. It doesn't feel right. Everything looks so slated to the downside that it's like, it makes you want to short it. Which then, you should probably go long whenever you feel that. So I'm just, I'm torn in my decisions right now. I'm very torn. And all that turns into is just, alright, go to sleep. See what the market does in the morning. Oh, man. What does Bitcoin look like it's going to do? Oh. This looks really bearish on the 5 minute. Oh my goodness. What's your 15 doing? Your 15 doesn't look much better. Looks pretty terrible. What's the 1 hour? Huh. Can I look at the support level for Doge? Curious? Yes, I can. Actually, I think my Doge chart looks really nasty. I might have to rechart it. Oh yeah, you were in this consolidation and you fell out of it. That's right. But it has a support at 34 cents. Yeah. So each one of these yellow lines also are weekly candle closes, but they're just not very strong levels of support because the price didn't really reverse right there. It reversed up here and it got like a little bounce, but it was a continuation. So yeah, Dogecoin looks weird too because the stochastic on the 4 hour and you're in neutral territory. Your volume is dropping off completely. We can get rid of this lower level. That doesn't matter anymore. Now this is all we actually care about at the moment. So we want to see if we can break out of there, but yeah, you can see how the volume's falling off. Oh boy. Ooh. Alright. Volume falling off. Your MACD, you do have a bearish cross up here, but no, you can just cross back. You're not showing any signs of the selling pressure slowing down yet. Your daily is still overbought completely, but your stochastic's trying to reset while you're staying overbought. One-hour moving averages are all over the place. Yeah, it's just messy. It's just really messy. So I would expect consolidation and more than likely touching this 34-cent level. But after that, I really don't know what Doge wants to do. I would expect a continuation to the upside where I would be looking for the 57,326 to get tested unless Bitcoin gets a major pullback. But as of right now, you're looking for a breakout of this little downtrend here. And this could take all the way out until November 18th. We could deal with this for another 4 days. What are some good altcoins that you think will make a good hold? And also, in your opinion, what is the next big meme coin to explode? We just missed Peanut last week. I do not know what the next good meme coin is going to be. I never know. As for good altcoins to hold, right now I am accumulating Anchor, ANKR, Cody, COTI, and C98 because they all just look like they're in great spots to buy. But other ones is like Sushi Swap, I guess Burger. I think Burger has a chance of just going insane one day. Other than that, I can't think of any others off the top of my head. But yeah, as for the next big meme coin, not a clue. No idea. Because I heard earlier today from the Discord, somebody was enjoying some gains from a Gary Gensler coin. I don't know. Degen caught bids? Oh my god. And it's breaking out. Okay, Degen. Jesus. Who the heck is buying you? Degen's on a moon mission. It was up 50% 2 days in a row. If this actually plays out, you can see it at 3-4. That's crazy. That's crazy. Litecoin, Wincoin. We'll check them both out. Check them both out. Litecoin catching some bids above that 77.93. You tested it once. You're getting a higher low now. That's surprising. Your daily is not overbought. That's more surprising. What the hell? So it looks like Litecoin's just kind of chugging along to the upside. If it continues, you're going to be looking at $113 to $118 in due time. You do have hidden bearish divergence on the 4 hour, so be careful of that. Why am I high on those 3 coins? It's just because of their chart. I'll show you their charts in a minute. Their charts are just in accumulation ranges, so that's why I like them. Looking at Litecoin here, 4 hour, you do have hidden bearish divergence. That could be wanting to reset, or it's just going to trade sideways out of it. For spot, yeah, I'm talking about for spot. Easy, dumb money. I'm talking about spot holdings. $500 DLS to see what happens. I'm so confused. So confused. Alright, so I guess with Litecoin, you want to just hang out above this trend here. As long as you can stay above that, you should be in the clear. Mike, no, nothing to do with any of that, actually. So, I don't know if this is your first bull run or not. One thing you'll notice, when the bear market comes, is these altcoins, they'll pretty much go right back down to where they started. They're all really bad. So you're literally just trying to grab them at good areas and then offload them at better areas. That's really the idea. US crypto coins may be exempt from capital gains. You are right, Blue Lantern. I did see that, and I hope it passes. Alright, let's check out Wincoin. So yeah, Litecoin right here. Christian, I'm seeing it's not falling yet, which is really nice. Looks like it wants to trade sideways. Over time, you could see it at 118. Over time. What is Wincoin? What is that? Adam? Adim? Adim? Whoa. I can't read your name. If that passes, that would be amazing. Your top coins are HBAR and XRP. That's wild. Those are your 2 top coins. Would I be able to repeat the coins? I want to add them to your watch list. Yeah, C98, Cody, COTI, and Anchor, ANKR. Those are their tickers. What is Wincoin? I can't find Wincoin. Blinky. Polygon, you want to check that out? We can check that out. I was trying to find Wincoin, couldn't find it. Let's go into those 3 I was talking about, and I'll even do the honorable mention since we're close to it. Sushi Swap. So Sushi, I can just pull it on the weekly so you can see what it looks like. So you can see you came down to these levels once, you popped out, came back down here again, confirming your bottom. Now, as long as it holds this level, great spot to accumulate. You have a ton of upside ahead of you because this is a DEX on the Ethereum chain. You're expecting it to actually move in that direction. Auntie Max Win. Anita Max Win. What's up, Peanut? How you doing? Yeah, I got into crypto on XRP. Got you. Is Win? Oh, you... Okay. That's WinCoin? That's what you're talking about? You don't think BTC will crash after the run? So many institutions bought the ETFs options. Yeah, that's true. I do think the bear market will be different, but we can already see Bitcoin is stealing the show. Absolutely stealing the show. And without any retail in here, could be really bad. Alright, so Sushi Swap, this one. You can see where it's at. You came down here once. You came down here twice. It's that second test that looks good. It's spelled when? D nice. Oh, okay. Here we are. Think the bear market will start earlier this time? No, I don't. I think we're gonna start the bear market way later. I mean, way later. Because I think retail is just gonna come in way later. The high's 300? What, for sushi? What are you talking about? I'm getting lost in the sauce here. Alright, anyways. Going up to Cody. Where's the C's at? Where are the C's at? Here's Cody. You can see kind of the same thing. You came down here once, came down twice. You popped out. Now you're getting a reaccumulation here. So if you break out of this, you're expecting to get up to 25 cents. This one, I do like the look of it, but we're going to see what happens with it. C98. You're going to notice a trend here. C98 came down here. You got slightly lower low with same relative strength, but we get out of here. You're expecting anywhere between 141 to 389%. Retail is getting interested. True. Peen up, double bottom. Yeah. A lot of these things I'm pointing out double bottoms, except for Anchor. Anchor is just a reaccumulation, which really has my attention. Somebody came in here the other day asking for Anchor, and Anchor just full attention. I'm like, wait, what? What did you have me just look up here? Yeah. A low, higher low, third higher low, on the weekly, taking a long time for it to play out. This thing could fly. So those are the ones that I'm very interested in right now. For anybody who's new into the crypto space, honestly, whatever these projects do, kind of doesn't matter when a bear market comes. It kind of doesn't matter. Thank you. No problem, Christian. No problem. But yeah, it kind of doesn't matter because they all will go down heavily. I mean, heavily. And the best thing I can show you right now is Ethereum. Because Ethereum is the number 2 token. So everybody's going to be like, oh, well, the number 2 token's safe. Nah, brother. It ain't safe. Your all-time high, you were down here, you came down here again. You had your bull run, your bear market. Okay, now previous all-time high turned into your low. Once you broke out of it, you shot up like crazy. And guess what? From all the way up here, $4,863, you came straight back down to that previous all-time high. Straight back down. So anybody who thinks like, oh, just because it's high on whatever the watch list is, nah, that doesn't matter. You're still losing so much in value. I mean, this was an 81% drop. So take your profits. That's really what I'm saying. Take your profits. Because 81%. That's real life right there. 81%. Number 2 token. Just so you know. Because, some people are going to be like, well, I'm used to investing based off the technology. Technology doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Just think of crypto as they're scams. Just that's all you should think about. They are scams. They're trying to steal your money. It is a momentum driven asset. That's all it is. If there's no momentum, toast. Absolute toast. Another really good one here, honorable mention, is eGold. I already gathered up a bunch of this one. But yeah, I'm just waiting for it to get up to $131. Currently trading at $27. Just beautiful double bottoms here. The floor comes up a bit each run. Still, don't round trip. Yeah, don't round trip it. Just don't do that. I mean, you can. We appreciate the exit liquidity. Just not always great. How does Tron TRX look? We'll check it out. I think I gotta check out this Wind token. Still mad at your Axe buy. Reach at least $2 this run. It's 66 now. It was 220 earlier this year. Dang, that's a pullback right there. Sheesh. To the moon. Yeah, this thing could go to the moon. Like, could go absolutely ape shit. This thing could go crazy. 21 total supply. Atom Arrow AVAX. What's my opinion? I think AVAX is a fantastic project. Looks like it's going to be trying to touch a little bit of support pretty soon, though. 21 million. What's 21 million supply? I don't know what you're talking about. What the hell? I didn't even know this was doing this. Tron is one of those tokens that I just don't trust because Justin Sun is behind it. If I'm being completely honest, I just don't trust it. The only thing I ever liked the Tron network for is moving around stablecoins. It's really good at doing that. Low fees. It's kind of ridiculous. You have support underneath you right now, but I didn't know Tron was at all-time highs. Had no idea. That's cool. I can't do much past that. We can see what the trend is doing, I guess. You're at the 786, finding a lot of resistance. You could get up to 2140. Your brother's been talking to Bitcoin maxis. He said its market cap could get to 100 trillion. I told him the entire market cap of all the world's businesses is like 110 trillion. Well, yeah, right now. Remember, he didn't give you a time frame, so we don't know what the future holds. If all the countries go into hyperinflation, 100 trillion might not actually be as much as you think. So yeah, Tron, if it decides to keep going, which your weekly says you could be looking at 2140 or even 3184. Kind of sky's the limit. You're at all-time highs. You're there. Your daily's probably cooked. It's not. It's resetting fast. That's kind of weird. Yeah, 100 trillion if the dollar dies like 80 years. Yeah. It's possible. But also, when you look at the... So you don't want to look at the total money supply. You want to start tapping into what the derivatives market is. Because the derivatives, that's what will actually push the evaluation of Bitcoin up. It's not the actual like money in the system. It's the derivatives money that'll get into the system. And then that's where you can start seeing some crazy moves out of Bitcoin. It's these damn futures traders, you know? I don't think eGold will go up. Do you see people backing it or know something about it like they did in the before market? Nope. I just look at the chart. That's all I need. Once again, it's a momentum driven asset. Someone out there is still buying it. That is all I need. It's kind of like A Gold. Nobody talked about it, but that thing shot up the other day. It went absolutely crazy. No news about it, no nothing. It just randomly was to the moon. A Gold. Shit like that. How far away till alt season you think? Going to boom, you think? For a real alt season, I don't think we're going to see that until like sometime next year. Maybe sometime around Q2, Q3 of next year. And I'm talking like the real alt season. I'm not talking like random things like this going up 100% in a single day and then falling straight back down. Because this looks like a pump group. That's what this looks like. When I think of alt season, I think of like the last time everything pumped like crazy. So, what we look at, let's say Ape Coin. So like when we saw Ape do this right there to get its lower high, like that's what I think of when I say alt season. So I'm thinking maybe Q2 of next year. Maybe Q3. Actually, not Q3. No, Q3 might work. Because that's around summertime when the institutions are taking their time off. It could happen around then. I'm just kind of waiting for the for people to have money again. That's really what I'm waiting on. Just get 10 or 100 DLS MMSS. I'm not sure what you're saying. Is this a token? I don't understand what this is. I guess an easier way to point out when alt season, it's usually when Bitcoin dominance can drop. So the fact that we had a rising wedge pattern and we shot out of it to the upside, that has me worried. That has me thinking, oh crap, altcoins are going to continue bleeding out. But if this were to come down, like if this actually dropped, that is when your alt season starts. So keep your eyes on the Bitcoin dominance. We could get a couple alt seasons. I mean, yeah, it's possible. Definitely possible. I think the rotations are what's happening right now, and that's why it's kind of strange looking, because it's like, oh, AI tokens are going off, then all of a sudden, real world assets are going off, then you have layer ones taking off. Just like, okay, layer ones are taking off because of meme coins. I think the layer ones taking off because of meme coins. I think that's the retail investors that are in the space right now. So that's why the meme coins are doing so damn well here and there. But if you notice, they're not sustained. They just pop up and then drop. Pop up, then drop. And it's just not like it used to be. Just not like it used to be, man. Caspa checkup time? I mean, we can check it, but Caspa's not doing much. At least it wasn't. Oh, see here? This is why I didn't get into this trade. Look at that. It looks so strange. It's in my buy zone. Just Alright, let's go to Caspa. Caspa's not looking pretty right now. You fell down, now you're trading sideways on the 15-minute while resetting your stochastic. That's not great. Plus BTC dominance going up just means BTC going up, so I'm not going to complain about that. Yeah, eventually it's going to pay off. It's just like, when? It got announced today that it's getting listed on their first tier 1 Kraken. Wait, T1 Kraken. So that's why it had the pump. Oh, it's getting listed on Kraken. Okay, that's cool. But very short-lived. You're right back where you started. Very short-lived. That's unfortunate. Is it not listed on Binance? Hold on. It's not. Wow, it doesn't have a Coinbase or a Binance listing yet. That's surprising. It's getting listed on the 17th. So we should buy a bunch of Caspa token now. Oh wait, you're talking about on Kraken. We don't care about Kraken. We care about that Coinbase and Binance listing. All their top listings will come in it. Will have a God candle. Yeah, that's true. That's very true. Who knows? Maybe I'll start gathering up some Caspa token now. Binance already hinted it. Well, that's good. Because once it gets that liquidity, Caspa will be a lot easier to read. The fact that it's all weird right now, it's just, ugh. It's not very fun to try and trade. What coins do I think Coinbase will list? I don't have a fucking clue. That is one thing I never know. I have no idea. So I just go onto Twitter every once in a while, and it's like, hey, what's everybody talking about? Kimbo, some random meme coin on Avalanche. They recently came out and said they applied. We'll see what happens. Thank you. Learn a lot. Will you be streaming tomorrow? Might head to bed, but we'll definitely check out another stream, man. Yeah, I'm going to be streaming every day unless I announce it in Discord that I'm not streaming. So yeah, you guys can expect me literally every single day. Every day. Caspa did a 40x during the bear market. Well, it was new, so yeah. When Shiba got listed on Coinbase and Binance, it then dumped. Well, so the difference there was we were in the height of the bull run, where everybody bought Shiba on the dexes first, so then all of a sudden it's like, oh, cool. They just sent it straight over to the exchange, avoided all of their gas fees on the Ethereum network, and sold it off. So they got to keep most of their money. Like, that made the most sense why it dumped so hard. Yeah, you had 2 long buy orders at resistance, and it bought me in both, then went down just enough to stop me out and rocketed. Dang, that's terrible. You would have been up over 1,000. That's terrible. That sucks. I knew I had the stops to close. I always say stop loss first. Wait, what's KDA doing? I always say throw in your stop loss as soon as you enter into a trade. Throw in that stop loss. Oh shit! KDA is double bottoming too? I didn't realize that. Your quant went to 250 mid bear market. Thought for sure it was gonna go to thousands in the bull market. Oops. You're about E-Gold. Okay, cool. No problem. What about Algo? D nice. Algo looks really good. It could go up a lot. I just think the market tonight's strange. Is Algo still in the green? Oh, Algo's starting to run. That's great. Algo's running. Quant is not American, so it won't be exempt from taxes. I don't think that's how crypto's gonna work, but hey, who knows? I don't know what they're trying to devise out there. Did you hear that Trump said every year he is in office, he will buy 200,000 Bitcoin? he won't be able to buy that many. There aren't. I don't think he'll be able to pull that off. Like they're too late. But no, I did not hear that. That's kind of crazy. Cadena, are you about to try and do something? Also, Cadena's already on Binance. Oh shit. I need more Cadena. I need more. Holy shit. If he does that, we'll be a mega bull run. Yeah, it'll be the perpetual bull run for Bitcoin. It'll be absolutely insane. Because the side effect of that is you're going to have other nations trying to do the exact same thing. Huh. So you got stopped by that. That's cool. Oh, that's neat. So right now, KDA is trying its best to actually break out. Okay, alright. KDA. I need to get more. Algorand, you're starting to move. If the rally continues, you could see it up at 2023, which is close to a 30% gain. Algorand's looking pretty darn decent. Especially on the 4-hour. Nice fresh breakout. Backtest is in there. Imagine Trump rugs Putin for a get back. That would be pretty funny. They want the US to get to 1 million Bitcoin. Yeah, I saw that. But now it's going to be like, are you going to get there before BlackRock? BlackRock kind of has a head start. The Bitcoin Reserve will have to go through Congress. Hopefully they can get it done. Executive order won't be good enough. That's true, Blue Lantern. That's true. State's already buying the... buying in the pension funds? Are they really? Do I know who the top 3 holders for BTC are? Satoshi's number 1. Binance is number 2. And I think number 3 is who is it? I don't think BlackRock overtook it. Now, I want to say number 3 is Coinbase. Is it Grayscale? I thought Grayscale sold off. I thought it was Coinbase. Yeah, and assets under control, but BlackRock don't own them all. That's very true. That's very true. But no, I thought Coinbase had more than Grayscale, so who knows? When Algo hit 30 cents, I was so happy to buy at such a discount. That was funny. And now you're sitting here like, the discount continued. The discount continued. No. Then it went to 11. Yeah. But no, you had the right idea, though. You bought the dip. That's what mattered. When we start going into bearish times, I always take a look at the weekly chart. Because it's like, where have we been? We could go there again. Sailor, I think. No, Sailor doesn't have enough. I think Sailor just got overtaken by BlackRock. And I think he's a little pissed about it too. Alright, so remember that time where I was like, maybe I should get into a short on Bonk. Then I was like, it seems kind of weird. I think I'm going to wait. Bonk is breaking out. So now we just don't even think about, oh, we're going to keep going down. Now we have to think about we're going up. Huh. That's what I was talking about. Market's weird right now. Market's really weird. I don't like weird markets. Next bear market, I'm not buying until right before the election. Might be a good idea. Might be a good idea. Oh man, look at ADA. See there? I wasn't confident about shorting it. There we go. We're up 6.8%. Every time H bar drops below 5 cents, you buy it. That's good. You got a plan. That's good. That's what I like to hear. Plan is a good thing. Congo? It's on Caspa meme coin. Gold Mike. You already know the drill. If I can't find it here, $5. You're lucky. What am I doing here? I'm on the hourly chart and it looks like this. Like, you might hit the top of the range. I don't know what you want from me. I can't do anything here. I don't know. You could go in a direction. That would be nice. I don't even care what direction at this point. One of them. Jesus. Oh, this thing's not just too new. It's just nobody wants to do anything with it. I'm selling, I'm buying, I'm selling, I'm buying. We gotta get volume, guys. I'm selling, I'm buying. This literally looks like wash trading. That's all this looks like. Can we outlaw meme coin? Wait, meme coin defense already? So these people. Jesse, thank you so much for the sub. What's up? How you doing? Welcome in. So these people can put money into real shit? No, we need the bullshit out there. Come on. I hate spell checks. The time where it would have worked. Hey dude. Yo, what is up? If you have any requests, feel free to drop them in. But Jesse, welcome in. LTC to 300. Is LTC moving? Is Litecoin actually moving right now? Or are you just saying that? I think it can get to 3% of Caspa. Wait, what? Just listening in the background? Well, hey. Don't fall asleep to my voice. You might get scary dreams. Don't do it. Porky Flounder beats to chill, study, relax to? Oh no. That's not good. You're gonna fall asleep. You're gonna fall asleep and not learn a thing. It's gonna be terrible. Where's the else? LTC. Litecoin's not even moving. Wait, you said 300. Whoa, that's wishful thinking. No, it's good base. Do your thing. Alright, sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, how about for Litecoin, we focus up on getting to 118 first. Then we can bring up getting up to that 300 level. Stellar can get back to 60. It's not even all-time highs, but you have your doubts. XLM is going to do way better than you're expecting. A lot of people fail to realize it is also a fully functioning layer 1. It legitimately is a fully functioning layer 1. It just doesn't get the recognition it deserves. If you ever want to send value around and you don't feel like using XRP, or XRP just isn't listed somewhere, XLM usually is. This little coin is fast as shit. As soon as you decide to send whatever XLM to whatever wallet, you wait like 30 seconds and it just has been received. You're like, what the? It's a very fast chain. Very fast. But yeah, if you can break above 18.87, I mean, next target after that is 35.24. I hope you're right about XLM. You spent 40 last bull market and it's 1300 now. Yikes. No, you'll be surprised. I mean, last bull market, I didn't think it was going to move at all. It got up to 79 cents. It's absolutely insane. EOS? That was the biggest waste of time ever. How do you get $1 billion and do nothing with it? I don't understand. We'll check the chart though. Yeah, the EOS Foundation or something, they literally raised a billion with a B, $1 billion, and they were supposed to come up with, I think it was some like audio thing, but they also wanted to do like 5 other things. They just didn't do any of them. So it was like, what in the world? Unfortunately, I broke into crypto in November 2021, but you doubled down and at the bottom and never sold. Well, hey, we all have to pay the price of tuition. We all need to pay that price. So a lot of people always are like, "Oh, how often do you trade? How often do you win? What?" No. What I always like to know with traders, how much have you lost? It'll be a very tall tale. It'll be a tell sign if they've been trading for a while or if they're bullshitting. So if they end up saying, "Oh, I've been trading for 5 years," and then it's like, "Oh, well, how much have you lost?" Like, "Oh, I've only lost $500." They're lying. They're absolutely lying. There's no way. Either they were only trading $5 increments, or they're full of shit. Like, there's no way. Because it's like, I remember my worst trade that I lost. I lost $6,500 a single day. I was like, damn, that stings. That stings a lot. Oh shit. I don't like that feeling. I need to get better. Oh no. Or I need better risk management or something. Oh shit. Like, it really sucked. Because at the time, that felt like a lot of money. But yeah, it's like, then you have your good days where it's like, my best day of trading. I made 10K. And I was like, all right, great. But becoming profitable in trading is a lot harder than most people will give it credit. A lot harder than most people give it credit. EOS right now, it's in a weird spot. You were consolidating in this area before, you just broke back into it. I don't know if EOS is going to want to test these lows one more time, considering all that happened is you broke straight through it and you never back tested it. I would prefer if this thing were to come back down here to 47.72 before even trying to get into it. Otherwise, break above 65.5, stay above it, and then, okay, we can consider going higher. But yeah, it just looks like this is an impulse move to the upside. I want to see that consolidation. I want to see what this thing does. You didn't even backtest your downtrend. Like, backtest something. What are your top 3 coins in my portfolio? I think right now it's Bitcoin, Solana. What's the third one? I don't know what the third one is. Probably AVAX. AVAX is probably the third. You lost 400 in Sui. You sold it and then almost doubled since. That's good. That's really good. Yeah, my top coin is always Bitcoin. It's always Bitcoin. Whatever the number 2 and 3 spots are, that will fluctuate throughout the bull market. It'll fluctuate the whole time because I'm constantly moving stuff around, especially my Solana. Solana, when meme coin season starts hitting, Solana might turn into my smallest holding at some point before it turns into my biggest, or second biggest, I should say. And then it'll move into Bitcoin. Bitcoin will be the biggest again. No, you lost, got out before it doubled. Oh, that's rough. That is rough. You got out and then Sui doubled? Oh, that's painful. So yeah, EOS could do a couple things here, but what I would prefer, since you've been using that 200 as such strong resistance, is getting that pullback. That pullback would be extremely welcomed, and probably get a lot more bids lower. I don't know if your 4 hour wants to do it though. Your 4 hour saying you're gonna start rallying. Kind of crazy. So who knows? Maybe EOS by the end of the weekend or something will be at like 84. Who knows? Yeah, every time I see Sui, I say I hate crypto, but I don't. That's funny. The thing that drives me nuts is when I get stopped out of a trade and then all of a sudden it starts going in the direction I was betting on. That's the worst. Who's that? Liam, thank you so much for the sub. How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. Also, everybody who's new, if you ever have requests for different charts, jump into the Discord. It's actually a great place to stay connected with the community, as well as just, if I'm not live, which I'm not live most of the day, you can get in there. There's a special tab. Just ask for whatever token it is. I'll get to it as soon as I see it. Ramesh, what's up, Porky? So good to see your stream is picking up. Good traction. Was a very good idea to switch from Twitch. You are right. It was a good idea to switch from Twitch because I think today we've had 0 chatters in Twitch. That's amazing. We've had 0. Yeah. Nobody on Twitch. But here we are on YouTube. You're right. It was actually a very good idea. I was holding off on it too. Oh, Cody's starting to move. Cream's up. Whoa, this crow is up? Why? I was there during Twitch stream. I used to be 3 at max. Oh, yeah, that's right. That's funny. Cream is moving. CLV still trying to hang on. Caddy, K. Okay. Oh, Bitcoin's going up a little bit. Well, this makes a lot more sense. Bitcoin's really hanging on to that heart line, isn't it? Are you breaking out of this local downtrend here? You gonna do it? Ooh, Bitcoin's literally at resistance. This is the big decision maker. Man, this Bitcoin dominance is killing me. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance is really high. It's very high. So if Bitcoin starts to fall at all, these alts are going to start crying. They're just going to cry. It's going to be bad. Also, we're going into Friday, everybody. So remember, it should be very volatile because that's when a lot of futures contracts expire. So be careful with your trades. Be very careful. I will only short alts at the slight pump. I've been shorting all day, so I know what you mean. Twitch isn't the market for trading. You're right. Twitch was actually a lot better when it came to the meme coin hype last bull run. When I was like buying and selling meme coins at the crazy peak of the market, like I think highest viewership I had while we were all just watching a meme coin, it was like 75 people while I was trading Bonfire. Made no sense. Think Ness will go to 22 hours a day. Talk about the NASDAQ. They should just finish tokenizing all of the stock market and allow it to trade 24/7 just to piss off the hedge funds. That would be fantastic. Oh, we got rats breaking out of the local downtrend. We'll see what it does with the bigger downtrend. We shall see what it does. Anybody saw how crazy Peanut went? 2.5 billion market cap yesterday. Yeah, I looked at the chart. I just couldn't really get excited about it because I wasn't gonna buy it. So I was like, "Oh wow, look, it's going, woo, go team!" Like, you know, kind of like going to a sporting event that you just don't want to be at. It was cool to see so many people winning, but outside of that, I was like, meh. Oh well. I'm just excited for when normal retail people can get back in. Not just normal retail. I want like those idiots out there to get into the market who think they're smart. And they're going to tell you about how some meme coin and its technology is going to change the world. Like, that's who I'm looking forward to. You shorted at 900 market cap with your main account, and sub account $30 position went to minus, wait, what? Minus 650 in a few hours? How'd you get minus 650? That's wild. Yeah, that's tough. Owing the exchange money? That's tough. Cross margin? Oh. Yeah, I never do cross. I don't like doing cross. Alright. So let's see if Bonk is gonna get a nice back test or not. Bonk is doing things, breaking out of the downtrend. I mean, you already broke out of the uptrend. Huh. Kind of stopped in the middle of nowhere, right? Oh, this low right here. Nobody was looking at that low. Let's pump MMS. MMS is a crypto? Is that what it is? Oh my god, it is a crypto. That's what you've been saying this whole time? Dude, I didn't even know what the heck this was. On Bitmart? Ew. I would literally have to wait and see what it did. I would literally have to wait and see what it did. Cited. I'm new to trading. What are some things you recommend when starting? Risk management. That's the number one thing I could say. Risk management. Only put in what you're willing to lose. That is first and foremost. Secondly, learn about the levels. Levels and trend lines will help you out tremendously. Learn before you trade. Oh yeah, risk management all day. Yep. Retail won't be here this time around. They got effed pretty bad after the plus living cost. Yeah, it's all bad out there. The markets are rough. Open a Robinhood account and learn how things move and how things don't move. Interesting thoughts. I've got advice. Anyone on YouTube who says XRP is going to whatever, block them right away. You know, that's probably good information. That is probably good information. You will find a lot of people who, God, they make XRP sound like the greatest thing on the planet, and I'm just like, how are you guys such good salesmen? How do you do that? I wish I had that skill. Holy, must be nice. All right, those are all the levels I care about. This thing is in the gutter. What? Whoa, this thing's really low. All right. I guess technically you're in a double bottom situation. You're trying to find support off this 3-cent level. If you stay above 403, next target 723. Not bad. Yo, what's up, HQZ? How you doing? How you doing? So what I was mentioning about trend lines is like right here, you can distinctively see the price was trending down. And once you broke out of this downtrend, you backtested as support, you're expecting the trend to start going up. So once you learn about trend lines and levels, a lot of your trading and buying and everything will start helping a lot. With the most basic thing on the planet, it'll help a lot. Oh yeah, crazy. Not only on YouTube, they also realize articles that some random Analysts follow predicts XRP going to 750. Unbelievable. Oh my gosh, really? Think Bitcoin was a penny at once? People have Bitcoin and have no clue how it actually. Yeah, that's true. Do I have a paid plan on TradingView? Yes, I do. I don't have the biggest one. I only need 20 indicators, so I got that one. I think I'm pulling profits from XRP while it's up. I will never tell you what to do with your money. I will never tell you if that's a bad idea or not. I'll just tell you. When I found profits off XRP after holding for 2 years, I sold it. I certainly did. And I have not bought back in since. Nor will I. The main indicators I use are stochastic RSI, relative strength, MACD, and my simple moving averages. Those are the main ones I use. I don't use a fifth indicator. I only use 4. Well, I guess this volume one, technically I use it. It's just kind of there. It's passive. See, volume's going up as this thing's starting to trend up. Glad I came to YouTube. I'm glad too. I mean, we're closing in on that 1,000 subscribers. But I saw something terrible. Remember, this is a for-profit stream, everybody. Yeah, when I can monetize, I will. And I'll definitely say I need to get 4,000 viewing hours. Y'all are going to see this face in your dreams, baby. In your dreams. I'm going to be here all the time. No, it's crazy. I'm like, I need 1,000 subs and 4,000 viewing hours. That is nuts. Bro, you can monetize with 500 subs. I can't do the memberships yet. I think I need 3,000 viewing hours. Rules have changed. I was looking at it yesterday. Literally yesterday. Hold on. Do you think it can go to $1? This thing? I don't have a clue. I don't know what the hell it is. Has it been there before? Okay, it's been up at 219. Yeah, sure. As long as there's people still working on this thing, yeah, it should do fine. What just happened to the market? Is Bitcoin going down? I discovered you yesterday. Happy to have a live crypto show at 1 a.m. Is it really 1 a.m. for you? That's wild. Is it true that if you inverted the band, you have a mill on peanut? That's what IG said. Wait, if you inverted the band, you have a mill on peanut. I have no idea what that even means. I wish I could tell you. There's one thing, you'll never get bullshit out of me. I don't even know what that means. Inverted a band. Oh, wait. You're talking about investing. 1,000? I don't know, it could have. When it first came out, yeah, it definitely could have. I gotta work on a thumbnail. I don't like doing thumbnails, if I'm being honest. I understand it'll probably bring in more viewership, but I just honestly don't like doing thumbnails. You work till 3 a.m. and listen to YouTube all day? Do you really? Working till 3 a.m. That's hard on the body. Blue Lantern, we gotta get you like a ton of money this bull run, so then you don't have to work anymore. Cause dang, that honestly, it's linked to dying early. So be careful with those late nights. We got into my green zone. Oh shit, am I Am I supposed to be going in? Do we go in on this? What's the 15 looking like? Is that 15 looking like? Ooh. We could go down. Sorry, I'm just trying to have another 10x day, guys. So I'm trying to find a trade right now. I just can't find one. Yeah, I read there was an account with 8 Sol and Peanut. They sold before it went up. Would have been 2.5 million. That's kind of crazy. It doesn't surprise me though. There's a lot of meme coins that they'll do that this bull run. You put it in, you leave it in for like 2 months or something, it gets listed onto a big exchange. Next thing you know, hey, I'm a millionaire. So I think anybody who's holding a ton of Caspa tokens, I think that's what they're banking on. As soon as it gets listed on Binance or Coinbase or both, the Caspa is going to explode. It's going to absolutely explode. Peanut Dev sold for 700? 700,000? Is that what you're saying? Also, if I was a dev, I would have sold off too. You kidding me? Fair warning, if I ever start getting $700, wow, that's pathetic. But yeah, fair warning, if I ever start like getting perks from promoting meme coins, I'll first off say it. But yeah, I'm dumping that shit right away. Dumping it. The dying early correction is mostly due to people who work night shifts, have trouble sleep or terrible sleep habits. I sleep very well, don't have to be at work until 5 p.m. Don't drink after work like most people. Whoa, people drink after work in the morning? That's crazy. I do all your drinking on the weekend? Smart move. Smart move. I normally do that too. I can't operate with a hangover anymore. That's the real reason why I stopped. Floki looks very interesting here with that fresh and clean breakout. Oh shit, dog. You can plan a stop loss here? Whoa. Whoa. Floki might actually get some bids. Going up to this 27237. Oh, I work 12-hour night shift and drink coffee before sleep. Terrible. My body clock is so effed up too. Yeah, that's really bad. Good time to DTA on most things. HQZ, you're not wrong. Not wrong. Anybody hear of Jamcat? Never heard of it, Urban. Before? I'm gonna go with Urban. I'm gonna just think that you fat fingered the 3 and put it as a 4. I'm going with Urban. I feel like Urban works. Also, love the UI Goku. That's solid. That's pretty solid. Urban. Okay, gotcha. You have a lot of cast minted. Very nice, Rich. Very nice. Rich, you gotta watch out when you say that stuff on the internet. You might become a target. Be careful. Be careful. Because think about it. Let's say Cass got up to $15. Now all of a sudden we know you have 18,500 of them. We're coming after you, bro. Your drinks are on you, buddy. It's going to be on the weekend because, you know, Blue Lantern only drinks on the weekends. You're buying. Porgy, can we please have a look at AR and Sushi? You have long in that. Sushi looks amazing. But yeah, we'll check out AR. I think we checked out AR like 4 times tonight. 3 times? We'll check them both out. We shall check them both out. Wait, you said longs? Oh, okay. Hold on. I guess we're not going in very high time frames. It's not a lot, bud. Rich. If each one turns to $15, it's a lot. Just do the math. It's a lot. You're as proud as all minted? Nice. Alright, so Arweave is in a great spot with this falling wedge pattern here. On cast, founded at 22 million market cap, went to 13, was that much, but 700 worth, 28, and $42 million market cap. Sweet, you got in early. Love it. Are you getting back to this? Alright, so with Arweave, you could come down a little bit lower. I would love to see a little bit of support down at 1508. That would be a very nice spot to get a bounce. But from this falling wedge pattern, you do have a measured move. It's 123%. So wherever this thing stops, as long as you stay above 1295, you're kind of golden. And if you do get back down to 1295, since you are in a long per se, if it were me, that's where I would be stacking on top of my long, just loading it up, because 123% is a solid return. You would have been set only if the grip over your small greed. Yeah. Mined, I'm mining, Cass, with miners. Oh, yeah, you're mining. Got it. I feel like Arweave is going to around $7. Yeah. XLM on the 8 hour. Fugazi. I can read Fugazi. I'm happy about that. Thank you for the sub. Welcome in. How you doing today? Okay, you said, hold on. You have an entry at 22? You think it's going to 7? I don't think it's going to get down to 7. Oh, you're shorting it? What are we talking about? What's up, Fugazi? Welcome in. I don't think it's going to get that low. Because you already hit this 12.95 once. You hit it again? No, you're long? Okay, why do you think it's going to hit $7? I don't think it's going to get to 7. I don't even think it's going to come close to 7. You already tapped this level once. You get to it the second time. Blast off. You're going up to 26.18. As long as you hold above it, 26.18. You get above 26.18, you're going to 41.58. It's all about the levels, brother. You're being an ultra bear on AR? That's probably smart. Invested might be. What? Can I check Myro? Yeah, we can check that out. That thing sucks. All alts except Sui and Soul suck right now. Yeah, that's fair. Until they get their random pump, then you're like, it's the greatest thing ever. Guy I work next to claims he mined a ton of Bitcoin back in the day, and the CEO of his hardware wallet stole it all. Would have been worth 500 million. Pretty sure he's lying. Hey, all I ever say is like, oh, too bad. Get back to work. We're gonna Amazon listening. Nice. The night shift at Amazon. I can only imagine what that's like. Alright. Gotta check out Sui next. And then Sushi. Sorry. Sushi. Then Myro. Got you guys covered. Alright. Sushi. So Sushi right now, breaking your supply line. No, not again. Not again. But Sushi is literally at all-time lows. If you stay above 59.3, hold it for the bull run. Just hold it for the bull run. You're at all-time lows here. Amazon and Pontiac? Don't know. You prefer Sui over Sushi? Well, of course, because Sushi is just a swap on the Ethereum network. However, there are some options for staking. There's some upside possible. And by possible, it's like 297% to your first overhead resistance. Then after that, you're looking at like 479. Sushi's in a fantastic spot to jump into trades, but mainly for the swing trader. Swing traders just buy spot, hold it for a while, enjoy the ride. How did your peanut do? It did terrible. I sold it. the original peanut. It had that original pop, and then it would just lower, lower, lower. So as soon as it got to a certain point, I sold it off. I was like, well, I didn't get the full 300 out of it that I saw, so then I sold it for like 220. But either way, I had like $6 in there to start, so winning is winning. You longed peanut. No, Chris, it was the original peanut, not the peanut that went wild. It was the shittier version, the uglier version, the one that they just stopped marketing until all of a sudden that whole peanut thing started going off. Then they were like, "Oh, we're relevant." Then they tried marketing, and now it's falling off again because they don't know how to market. So I sold it. The other peanut is that? No, it's not. No, I'm talking about the original peanut. So the original peanut is this one right here. It is currently sitting at a $446,000 market cap. That's where it's sitting right now. Freaking peanuts, how could they? I mean, hey, it is what it is. Is what it is. It's also not what it's not. But made some money, sold it off. So, wait, Chris, you were shorting peanut the whole time they were selling off? Was that what you were doing? Baby peanut looks good to buy. You have some? What the fuck? Now there's a baby peanut? Oh, God. Here we are. Soon there's going to be like, if you hold this peanut, you get this other peanut in rewards. I know how this goes. I know how this goes. Are you aware about Happy? Solana Seeker AI. Oh, airdrop. The next bonk, maybe? I am not aware of this. No, I'm not. Yeah, and still fucked it up? Oh, no. That's too bad. You messed it up. Alright, after sushi, I was supposed to look at something, and I just didn't. Let me find out what that was. Myro. Gotta check out Myro. XLM, D nice. Didn't we already check out XLM for you? You want to look at it again? Is it pumping or something? It better be pumping. XLM literally is doing nothing. Why do you want to look at it? Now you're shorting cats. I was shorting cat earlier today. I don't know what cats is. Check Discord. What's in Discord? Oh, got your miners. Nice. It's pretty fire right there. How much heat does that generate, though? Could you warm up your house with it? What do I think about Beam? Beam looks pretty darn good, if I'm being honest. Take a look at CRO. CRO started moving again. I was surprised. YG, I was really surprised. If a current baseball player bought meme coins, do you think MLB would Pepe Rose again? Rose him? Wait, what? I think MLB would PD Rose him. I have no idea. Not a clue. And I feel like I just got AIDS trying to read that. Thoughts on Pepe? I think Pepe is going to pull back a bit. I think it's going to pull back a little bit. But I'm not sure. Alright, so XLM here, trying to get a breakout. You're still overbought on the daily. You're probably going to consolidate around here. Maybe a little bit of a pullback. But if you do manage to get above 1432, you have the possibility of getting up to 1887. Going up to Myro next. Let me knock out some of these requests real fast, so then we can, get back to the chatting it up. Myro. All right, Myro here was in a consolidation after a big breakout. So nice breakout. You got a low, higher low. Now you're trending up. So Myro is currently hitting overhead resistance. I can get rid of all this. Overhead resistance right now, you are getting a bit of resistance there at 14,794. If you can hold above this 200 daily moving average, 21,716 could be coming. You do have hidden bearish divergence on the daily. Keep that in mind. So if Bitcoin shows any type of weakness, expect Myro to come back down to 9928. But It all depends on Bitcoin. All depends on Bitcoin. 4-hour time frame. It's trying to reset right now, so maybe we start to see a rally. Maybe. Yeah, just gonna have to wait and see, but I don't think this thing moves before tomorrow. I don't think it's gonna have that breakout. I could be wrong. We could wake up and this thing could be up 70%. I don't know. I do not know. But if I was a betting man, as long as it stayed above these peaks right here at 11,989, you could see an 80% rise. Hope so. You're in long. It's ballsy. Ballsy to be in a long overnight on a Friday. It's ballsy. Alrighty, so we checked out XLM. We checked out that. Let's check out Beam next. BTC.D is at 6583. Dear Lord, imagine BTC decides to retest November's open price. Oh, it would be awful. Awful. I'm hoping it doesn't recover until Caspa 2. Emory. I'm confused. So confused. Alright, we gotta check out Beam, then CRL. I'm just gonna type it in, it'll be faster. So Beam right now is testing support. We can get rid of this downtrend because you did break out of it. If you can hold support here, there's a lot of upside ahead of you. So you're looking at something like 54% possible upside. But if you run into resistance again, it'll stop you at around 17%. You just got to hold above this level of support. You've already done it 3 times, but you do have a lower high. So be careful on this one. And on the 4-hour, you lost your 50 simple. This could fall through. But if it does not, you could see a lot of upside. A lot. Nell, what is up? How you doing? Waiting for Caspa to get listed on Kraken, 19th this month. Somebody else said it was the 17th of this month. I guess there's controversy now of 2 days. Ooh. The big listings you're going to really want for Caspa are going to be Binance and Coinbase. Kraken, it doesn't really get the same effect, but when you get Coinbase and Binance, you get the effect. It's astronomically different. After Beam, we got to look at, what was it? CRO. Gotcha. Absolutely baffled as to why Binance has still not listed CAS. They're probably just lazy. CRO. Did I chart it here? I did not chart it here. Great, awesome. Now I gotta chart it here. Actually, no. I'm gonna cycle through. Where did I chart this thing? Was it KuCoin? It was KuCoin. Okay. More data. All right. So, Crypto.com went crazy. Outside of that, I would expect a pullback, but you're trying to rally again. On your weekly, you are above your 200 weekly moving average at the moment. Checking out your daily time frame. Daily looking like it's trying to catch some bids right now. If you manage to actually get back and get above 2169, that's major breakout area for CRO. Major breakout area, because your next resistance after that is 37793. Like there's literally nothing in between. Just that giant gaping hole here. Straight up, straight down. That's all you've ever done. Have to love Kraken for trolling the Canadian government's request to freeze truckers' assets during the trucker strike. Yeah. I couldn't even believe that. They were like, oh, let's freeze all of their money and not let them do anything in the winter. It's like, what? That's terrible. That's absolutely terrible. Alright, we're checking out Happy next. Happy Cat. We're going to check it on MEXC. Oh, boy. We're going to check it on something else. Gate.io? Gate.io doesn't have shit on this. Whoa. CoinX? Oh, this thing's hardly been out. What? Okay. Okay, we're gonna go with MEXC because it probably has perpetuals on it. Why not? Thoughts on Fetch AI? It's probably a good hold. I don't know much else. Check out Mike Tyson. Are you talking about like the clips? What do you mean? Because I know Mike Tyson's supposed to have a fight tomorrow against Jake Paul. Is that what you're talking about? Or is there a new meme coin called Mike Tyson? Is that what's happening? Crypto space is strange. Solana coin. That's wild. I definitely don't jump on Dex Screener because normally if I do, it's like, oh, it's AIDS. We have a $5 minimum to get me to pull up Dex Screener, so yeah. I don't really want to. Alright, so Happy is range bound. You broke above resistance, you're holding it as support. That's all I really got for you on that one. It's brand new. There's not much here. Not much here. Alright. Time to let go of Quant and Matic. You agree? I don't know. So Matic turned into Paul, and I don't know, Polygon could be pretty good. Just saying, it's up 150% today. Oh, nice. Just dipped. See, that's what you start with. It just dipped. That's good, though. Way too many cat coins. You're not wrong. You are not wrong. Something about this thing airdropped. Okay. Saga 2. There's a 2? Damn. But yeah, this thing is brand new. Brand spanking new. Fetch AI. That's where we're going. Going to Fet. Close to the F's. F-E-T. E-E-E. F-E-E-T. Okay. Wow, this thing got low. Holy shit. I didn't pay attention to this very long. God damn it. Move. Get out of here. Shit. Alrighty. I mean, Fet just like literally gave back all of its gains. Just all of them. Just giving them up. Doesn't even care. Oh, you lost all your moving averages too? It's set up to go up in a very big way. I do love how tight these moving averages are on FET. But can I look at a ICP? Yeah, sure. Why not? When Logan Paul fought Floyd Mayweather, Logan was knocked out for a second and Floyd held him up to keep the fight going. Wish they wouldn't have been charged with fraud since betting was allowed. Oh, that's funny. TK, good evening. How are you? Allie, we'll check out ICP. ICP actually looks really good. So, yeah, we'll check out ICP, see what it's doing. You're down on Fetch 10%. Well, that's not that bad. FET is trying to bully AI crypto space. They tried to merge PAAL and it tanked pretty bad. Well, if they're trying to merge with everything, yeah, because everybody thinks the coin's gonna go nowhere. Appreciate it, bro. No problem. Oh, is it all Lee and not Ali? Oh shit. Sorry if I got. My bad. My bad. No, first Ali. Oh, okay. Wow, I don't usually have an Ali call me bro. All right. Glad I got it right. Cool. How about yourself? I'm doing pretty good. FET will go back up after the merger. Yeah, probably will. But right now, there's so many levels that it's just disrespected. We're going to get rid of some of these. Disrespected all of these. Jesus. Jiminy Christmas. So the only thing you're respecting right now is your supply line. This is great. YouTube influencer convinced me to buy Wormhole at 19 cents. I'm worried how I don't feel the conviction. Please look if possible. I don't even know what wormhole is. What's the ticker symbol for wormhole? I'll check it out. Ollie like the boxer. No. Blue Lantern. They said it's Alley. I got it right the first time. Yeah. Anyways. W. That's the ticker. It's W. Oh, for wormhole. Okay. All right. All right. So yeah, if FET actually can maintain this level, we could very well see FET start trying to get back up to these all-time highs. So that's actually fantastic to see. Looking at the weekly, you can see this. It's all freaking time highs. I can also get rid of that. This is now a level. So you're just seeing if you can break back above this 215 level, but currently you are holding support at this red box here. Top of the red box, you don't want to fall below, is this $1.02. $1.02. Alright, let's go ahead and check out W. Somebody else said another thing, but I just can't remember what it is. If you requested something, please tell me what it was, because I totally forgot. W, wormhole. Wormhole token. Ew. What'd you get in at? At 19? Not that bad. ICP. Golly. Thank you. Mike, thank you so much for the sub. How you doing today? Welcome in. Welcome in. ICP. ICP. Alright, we're going to get there. We're going to get there. Next, I'm going to fly through wormhole real quick. Hold on, I feel like I've charted this before. W on Binance? I didn't chart it ever. God damn it. God damn it. It takes so long. Alright, positive here. Wormhole showing a bottoming pattern. This is actually really nice to see. So, great place. Why y'all buying meme coins? I don't think Wormhole's a meme coin. I just think it's not the best project, you know? That's all it is. Just not the best project. So, you get one more touchdown here. As long as you stay above 19.69, you're golden. This thing just has upside. This is a bottoming pattern, so you then will be looking to go up. You just keep this level, give it some time. 52.92, 68.48. Looking pretty darn good. Pretty darn good. So ICP, sitting in a consolidation pattern here. You're actually at the bottom of the pattern, starting to catch some bids. It's been pumping. What's pumping? What? Thank you. Dang. No problem. No problem. Don't just look at TA alone to trade. Always look into circulating supply and the token unlock dates. I didn't even know it has token unlock dates. Baby Peanut's been pumping. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Alright, so ICP, you're getting some tight moving averages here, which is actually like rocket fuel for the token. You are at the lower part of your consolidation, so if you are trying to get into longs, this is a pretty good place to get into a long. And if you do get the breakout of the 8981 level, you could be seeing 1569.6, which yeah, that could lead you to a 95% gain on ICP. But you still have some consolidating to do. Make sure you stay above 733.9 and you are golden. It's a good buy under 8. That's fair. That's fair. I just think the chart looks great. It's absolutely great. Alrighty. Moving it along. Also, when you guys request, actually tell me if you're getting into like leverage trades or something, because then I'll dive into it a bit deeper. But other than that, I feel like most people are spot buying, and so this is a good spot to spot buy. Just make sure it doesn't get below the 7339. Otherwise, very fast you'll see $5.20. Stop losses are important even when spot buying. They're very important. No sense in holding it all the way down to zero. There's no point. Save your capital. All right. SKL. This better be on an exchange, I swear. Better be on an exchange. I don't consider myself experienced enough yet for leverage trades. All right. You already go over Brett? I did, but we can check it out again. Oh, you're getting a higher low. That's nice to see. Backtesting level of support. Yeah, it looks like it. Looks like it. Actually, I'll bring this up to here. That makes a little more sense. Backtesting level of support. Trying to hold it. Very nice. Got a little pocket right here. A little pockaroo here. A little pockaroo. Not gonna lie, I bought a meme coin back 2021 called Kuma Inu. Shit, lost it. Kuma Inu, it was $900 and now it's $20. Oops, Blue Lantern. Shit happens. So you always gotta pay attention to what meme coins you buy. Seems dead to you? XTP was supposed to be a big runner that has yet to play out. Have I heard of it? Heard of that? I have not heard of that one. I definitely have not. Alright, we got our levels here. It does look like you're trying to get a trend reversal here. Let's go down to your daily. Thanks again for taking a look at ICP. When looking at charts, is linear scale or log scale better to look at? I look at linear. I know there are some people who like looking at the log scale. I feel like those are investors though. So if you're thinking about investing, meaning holding for the long term, you're going to look at log. If you end up looking at log too often, you'll just think everything is crap. McLovin, what is up? What is the best site to measure Bitcoin dominance? For example, how do you see what it is at a week ago? Go on to TradingView, type in BTC.D. Bitcoin dominance. Go on to TradingView. Alright, sadly, you did have this demand line here. You broke out, you fell back in. What you really need to do for this, maintain support right here above 3562, and this thing could fly for you. But you need to hold that support. The fact that you keep falling under it is a real problem. TK, XRP, is it flying right now? Is that what you're watching? Show it on the screen for everybody, Porky, the BTC.D. I will. Gala was a last scale bull run. Gaming Hero. Hold that many at 2.1 cents. Probably only holder who didn't sell the cycle. I'm just praying for a 5x. I think Gala will do just fine. I really do. I think it'll do just fine. Bro, you gotta spice up your thumbnails. Put some coin images. I really don't do thumbnails, if I'm being honest. I hate doing thumbnails. Maybe I'll try it one day and see if it brings in more viewership, but God, I hate doing thumbnails. I really do hate doing thumbnails. Like, to do a thumbnail, it literally takes me a good 20-30 minutes, and then it's like, hey, you got 5 more views. I'm like, well, screw that. I don't want to do that. But yeah, I know everybody says they're important. I get it. Everybody's like, that's what draws them in, bro. Dang, SKL, you could see a 77% rise if it holds support. Anyways, yeah, I hate those homemade thumbnails. Home alone thumbnails. Yeah, I hate those thumbnails too. I hate thumbnails. HQZ. See there, I'm pulling in the crowd of people who hate thumbnails. The Home Alone faces piss you off. I feel like everyone in the space is doing it. I think all the gamers did it first. They got crazy high views. And then everybody else was like, oh, we need to do this because it's showing a reaction. It's a bad reaction. I don't like that. Everybody on the same page? Yeah, it's wild. Let's see. HBAR doing great. Just got notification. Yep, I got the notification about that earlier too. Let's see. We already got SKL in there. We already got ICP. Am I actually caught up? Bitcoin dominance. So let me show you guys what BTC.D looks like. BTC.D. And then it's going to be the very top one. This is a market cap Bitcoin dominance percentage. And if you're looking at it from a week time scale, you can see where it was last week. It was right here. So Bitcoin dominance at the low of last week was 58.56%. And now we have risen up to 60.89%. Bitcoin dominance is going through the roof. This is why you're not seeing altcoins flying. It's because that Bitcoin dominance is going insane. Absolutely insane. All right. Maybe for tomorrow night's stream, I'll try a thumbnail and we'll see what happens. As I get nobody talking about the thumbnail, better watch yourself. Should we buy Bitcoin on short term? Let's go check out Bitcoin. And remember, if I forgot what you guys requested, feel free just to drop it in there again. I forget a lot. You guys are kind of going rapid fire. I'm trying to keep in sync with chat. Oh, Brett, that's what it was. So Brett, hitting overhead resistance. We need to see either a breakout or a pullback. So Brett, right now, I would, consider maybe with all this hidden bearish divergence on the 1 hour, might be the time to take some profit. It might break out. I don't know. But yeah, that's Brett right now. Brett looks kind of insane. So Bitcoin on the low time frame, you're breaking out of your local little demand line. We could see a small little pop up, possibly up to either 89,361 or could get as high as 89,759. But right now it is just consolidating. So this is extremely hard to trade. I always like to just say sit back and wait and just hope that the Bitcoin dominance comes down. Just hope it comes down. Hope is a great thing to trade on. just gotta hit it with that hopium, Pow, right to the kissa. I need water. That's what I need. I need water. Oh boy. I know I'm missing something. People were talking about XRP. We'll go to XRP again. Up 3.4%. What the hell is that? About to hit overhead resistance at 86 cents. If you break above that, you very well could see XRP at $1.21. The possibility is there. Your 1 hour is resetting over hardly any price action. So we could see XRP continue its assault on the crypto market. Because, everything else ran up already. Might as well have its turn also. I wonder what Veracity is doing. I haven't looked at Veracity in like centuries. Let's see what Veracity's up to. Oh, Veracity, you're really close for me to care. Holy shit. You are really close to that I actually care about you level. Holy moly. This is what we call a bottoming structure. Oh, this is pretty. If you just get slightly lower for me. Oh, wait, no, I didn't. Oh my gosh, I did this one wrong. There we go. Did you actually hit it? It hit it! Well, well, well. VRA. Aren't you looking delicious? That is. That's good right there. I'll tell you what, that is good right there. Last time you're at this level. This time, you're getting that double bottom in there. Never know. I see it now on TradingView. Thanks, brother. No problem, McLovin. No problem. Also, McLovin, way to hold it down over there on Twitch. Like a ghost town over there. You're really helping it out. Ooh. Oh boy. So tired. Oh yeah, I do gotta peek in on one of my meme coins. Let's see how this one's doing. Terrible. Awesome. Love it. Let's see how the other one's doing. And that one's terrible too. Love it. Mike Tyson's up 100% since I sent it. Nice. That's the thing about meme coins. It's always nice when they like jump up really fast. But I'm guessing it's jumping up so much because the fight is tomorrow. So I do hope it continues going up past tomorrow. But be careful. After the fight happens, buy the rumor, sell the news. And it's brand spanking new. Yeah. All I'm saying is, like, with the meme coins, you would expect after the fight for it to dump really bad. A lot of people just getting out of it. Because they're expecting it to get hyped up before the fight. So then, yeah. If he loses, even if he wins, I don't think it's really going to matter. People are buying Mike Tyson token just to like cheer Mike Tyson on, essentially. And then after the fight's over, it's like, okay, cool. That was fun. Let's go put our money into Cat Mime 3 or some nonsense. I'll probably exit mid-fight, to be honest. Exactly. It's like, yeah, enjoy the fun. Like, but probably don't hang on to it long term. Probably don't want to do that. Sui is incredibly overbought, and it's just trying to stay up there. Millie, it'll dump before the fight. You think it'll dump before? Interesting. I gotta be honest. I hope that Tyson actually tries and knocks Jake out. Can't stand that guy. He's fighting Jake Paul, not Logan. Oh, you just said Paul. That would be amazing. Yeah, it would be. Sad hamster is the thing now. People are over cats and for the next 5 minutes. That's fair. Have I said it yet? Hate Sui. Yeah, I think you mentioned it. StoreJ's starting to catch some bids. Wait a minute. Is this the back test we're looking for StoreJ? Oh my goodness. Storage. 45% upside is possible. Your 4 hours saying, hey, maybe we can rally. Just maybe. Your 1 hour saying you're going to get dicked down. Oh boy, that sucks. This right here sucks. You didn't do anything. That sucks. Guess you're just waiting longer. These are not the droids you're looking for. Oh boy. Let's see what Mother's doing. Good bounce. Good bounce. Get rid of that, though. Mother's just kind of chugging along, trying to get a break. Jeez. You had this downtrend here. You back-tested support. Came up, tested once, testing twice. Looks like it's starting to get some bids right now. Mother Iggy could get a breakout. Baby BTC and Morris, the first antivirus, are both solid long term, in my opinion. Interesting. Morris. I've never heard of that. They're getting decentralized antivirus software. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. By the way, Trial. I think it's the first time I've seen your name in here. Hello, welcome in. Welcome in. Honestly, even if I do well this bull market, I'm not going to quit my job. If I do amazing, and get $1 million, that's no longer enough to retire. That's fair. No, actually, it was funny. When I first switched over here to YouTube, I mentioned, I was like, yeah, my goal this bull run is like 10 million. I said it was my goal, and some dude came in, you're not going to do that. I'm like, whoa, calm down, buddy. I don't know why you're so mad. Chill. It's a goal. Didn't say it happened. Like, jeez. Love people trying to hush your shine, but damn. I have a plan in place on how to get there, and we're going to see if it works. Otherwise, we try again next time. But yeah, every time somebody wants to tell you, it's like, oh, you're just not going to do it. I'm like, wow, you've had a rough life, huh? You good, bro? You good? Goals are important. Fuck that guy. Exactly. Like, screw that. You got 10 million, you'd probably retire. Now, it's funny, because I don't even think I'd be able to retire. I live in California, so I have to think about a nice house here. That's like 2.5 million. So I would be left with 7.5. What are your goals this run? 10 million. That's my goal this run. Yeah, you'd have to invest. So then I was like, I'd get a combination of short-term T-bills, and then also you can lend out USDT to exchanges for leverage traders, and then you can make a yield on that. And I was like, you know what? That might be the play. Yeah, you'd have to move from Cali. Exactly, I have to move. Come down to Vegas, save a few dollars. Millie, the biggest problem with Vegas, it gets hot as fuck in summer. It gets hot as fuck. I've been there. I hung out there. I almost died. It was so hot. 109 degrees at midnight? Are we for real? I understand your thoughts. I'm also in Cali. Yeah, it's expensive as shit out here. So it's like, damn. Definitely unbearable. We don't go outside. Exactly. I remember one of my buddies was like, oh yeah, I'm moving to Arizona. I was like, that place sucks too. Where are you going? Phoenix. Ew. Provide liquidity. That's where the money. Yeah, that's what I mean. Providing liquidity. You end up making such a good yield on that. And I was like, wow. And you're just providing USDT. It's fantastic. Crisp lifestyle. 1 million doesn't allow you to quit your jobs. Exactly. That's what we're talking about, Crisp. That's exactly what we're talking about. And that's the sad part. Wyoming must be most crypto-friendly state. Just a guess? Really, it might be. Yeah, that's fair. 2 million now, you can get 2 million now. You can think about it in No. 2 million, you can buy a nice house in Cali. A nice house. Wait, yield on what? So, if you have enough USDT, you can provide liquidity to exchanges and or You can also provide liquidity and liquidity pools, and then you make a yield back. It's like every month. So then you can make a monthly income off that, as long as you're providing enough. Real estate in Dubai? That'd be good. Oh yeah, true. Yeah. No, if this bull run I can get enough to where I can start just providing liquidity in USDT, take all the risk out of all that. Oh man, game changer. Game changer. Well, yeah, for California, where I live, honestly, most houses that have like 4 bedrooms, a backyard, 2 car or 4 car garage, it is $2.5 million. It's absolutely insane. No taxes on crypto, taxes in Puerto Rico. Well, with Trump getting in, he's trying to make it no capital gains tax on crypto. We'll see if it passes. But yeah, I've heard about the Puerto Rico thing. I'm wondering how crime is in Puerto Rico. Is it not that bad? I'd also look into Ethereum liquidity pools on Uniswap. I wouldn't do that. On American cryptos? Really? There's that caveat? That's weird. I mean, what's an American crypto? I guess that's just another way to shit on Ethereum at this point. Only for crypto launched US based company. Maybe that's why XRP's taking off. Was Ripple a US one? I can't remember. I would move to Wyoming. Well, I would move to Wyoming or something. Build a huge cabin, chill, and mountain view. If you had 10 million, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, XRP, ADA. Oh, really? Okay. How much USDT do you need though to join the liquidity pool? It's crypto, so I'm pretty sure you can do it with as low as like 100. Just it's not really worth it if you're only making $1 a month, you know? San Francisco? You could never get me to live there. Never. I'd fucking walk away. It's Trump's way to reverse all the damage done to crypto innovation in the US over the last few years. That's pretty good. XRP is pumping because the clown Gary Gensler. Yeah, that's true. He's going to resign. That's very true. That is true. Alright, I'm disappointed in myself. I couldn't find another trade to get into to try and cross over getting into the 10x realm for today. I'm very disappointed in myself. Executive Order 13772. I'll have to look it up so I can read it. I like reading those things because then I just get a better feel of what's going on. Is drift the play? Is drift what we're looking to short? I said it before, I'm only looking for short plays. I think drift, oh shit, drift might be the play. Only thing I don't like is that it did this. Never mind. Don't want to do it. What are you doing, Doge? That little doggy isn't ready either. Damn. Oh, somebody's be like, why don't you just go long? Oh, Brett's breaking out. Oh, shit. Brett is breaking out. Maybe that is what we go for right there. 12% upside possible. Dione Protocol? What is that? Javen? What's that executive order? No idea. Yeah, look it up. Jeez. XRP founder donated to Harris, which actually sued them? Oh, that's crazy. Deserve any pump at all? That's funny. Well, to be fair, Trump is offering to pay off Kamala's debts. Because somehow, with $1 billion, she still went 20 million over. That's crazy. I mean, that's like, you can spend some money. That's wild. If it stops right here, that would be a shame. Be an absolute shame. Yeah, no, it just popped up. So you're going to wait and see. If you consolidate, backtest, hold support, 18,202 could be happening. Good job, Brett. You got through. Dion Protocol. What? Javen, is this something you want me to like check out, or what is that? Is that a liquidity pool? We were talking about a lot of stuff. Just jumping in here saying Dion Protocol. Want to look at the chart? Javen, I need you to speak or type. Throw a road flare or something. Where are we, Javen? Is this what you want? You want me to look at it? Deepen design to leverage AI. That's cool. Overspending party girl. Imagine how much U.S. debt she would have piled. That's what a lot of people are saying. It's like, imagine how much debt she would have piled on. It's like, no telling. No telling. But to be honest, I think if she won, she wouldn't actually be in charge. I think somebody else would be pulling the strings from behind the scenes. So we can't look at it like that. We can definitely look at it like this. Oh, that lines up almost perfectly. Holy moly. That's major resistance. Holy. Look at these wicks from it. Insane. Demon design, leverage. Yeah, I read that. Okay. Alright. Alright, we got all of our lines in there. Peanut pumping again. You had a long entry at 154, decided to cancel it before taking a nap. Smart to do that. I remember I was trying to short Book of Meme. I was 1.12% away from it closing. It reversed on me and stopped me out to the upside. I was like, oh, that's some meme coin shit. That's not fair. That is not fair. Alright. So it looks like you fell down, you found some support, you came up, you're down trending. Let's see if you hold support here. If so, you're probably going to go up and test that 7992 level again. That'd be kind of nice. Your 4 hours says that's probably going to happen. We'll have to wait and see. We will have to wait and see. Shall wait and see. That is a very sharp demand line. Holy. Very sharp. Alright, everybody. Well, I couldn't get into a trade tonight. Sadly. You did see me execute the trade on Pepe. Which Pepe, who knows? Maybe it's going to keep going up. It did break a resistance. That's good. But if it rolls over, in there like swimwear, still capable of coming down 9.83%. Let's see what happens. It probably will, come to think of it. That stochastic reset real nice with some very terrible price action. Could be resetting it. I don't know. When's the next live video? I am live every single day around this time. Every single day. I usually go live around 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, but a great place to go. Check in the description down below. Join the Discord. You will be alerted every single time I go live, every time I post a video. But also, if you ever have chart requests, there's a tab in there. Get me to look at a chart while I'm not online. And yeah, other than that, great place to just hang out with everybody. Join the Discord. It's the best place ever. It's the greatest place ever. We've had all of no new entries in Discord this live stream. Such a shame. Who knows? Maybe you guys will decide to jump in. Who knows? The Discord link is literally in the chat right now. So there it is. I'm hard debating on jumping into a short on Pepe. That's probably shouldn't do it. Probably should not do it. I want to. I really do. Are we overbought on the 5? We are not. We are definitely not. We're finding resistance at that though. Oh boy. Bring that out right there. Coming down. Maybe. I'm on Discord since last year, but you haven't been on Discord at all for a while. Has member grown on Discord? Yes. Yes, it has. Actually, I believe the members in Discord... See, there's 81 offline. There's 16 online. Yeah, we broke 100. No, we didn't. We're close to 100. Let's go. We're close. We're closing in. Also, remember, inside of Discord, I will never send you a friend request, nor will I message you first. Apparently, scammers are out there, and they're doing their best to talk to people, and I find it weird. But yeah. All right, everybody. I'm going to call it a night. I'm going to get on out of here. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, you guys have a fantastic Friday. Have a good night. Sleep well. Take it easy. Deuces, y'all. Keep those stop losses tight. I'm out. Yep, Brett's taking off. It's going crazy. No problem, everybody.